16 who is the opposite party? But opposite party, the bank is there, no interim order, I will.
Who is there? Who is the bank?
Let Mr.
Bank council kahi?
Council is
No,
not
alle
there.
council nalle suna banna. Apan jogi.
There
Bank
is-
council anle bola kya?
there is no interim order as such.
No, tile bhi bank council ane to kahi jogi bahut समस्या हो.
Then ମୁଁ inform କରିଦେବି।
ନା କରି ଦେବି ନାହିଁ କରିକି ନେଇକି ଆଣିବେ ଏଠି ଛିଡା ହେବେ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବି ତାପରେ ଦେବି
As your lordship.
ତାଙ୍କ ଜୁନିୟର ଟେ ଆଣିଲେ ବି ଚଳିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Item
ତା ଅର୍ଥ
22.
ନୁହେଁ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଭଡା ଜୁନିୟର ଆଣିବେନି
ଆରେ ସିଏ ନିଜେ
ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 22.
Item 22, my lord, 2 weeks time may be allowed to file the rejoinder.
Huh?
1 week time may be allowed to file the rejoinder.
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ
Yes.
one week time either list the matter on ଅକ୍ଟୋବର ଆସୁ ଅକ୍ଟୋବର 3rd ରେ ଆସୁ ଅକ୍ଟୋବର 3rd
Item 31.
31 ଏଟା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ର କାଗଜ ନେଇକି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ରୁ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କାଗଜ ପଠେଇ ପାଇଲେ କେତେ
ମୁଁ ଦେଇନି ମୁଁ ଦେଇନି ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଜ୍ଞା କେମିତି ଆଇଲା
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଦେଇନି
କିଏ ଦେଲା 31 ଟା ଆପଣ ଦା
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ
ନାଇଁ।
ମୋ ନାଁ ନଥିଲା
I am in item 31, my lord.
31 ଆପଣ କାଗଜ ଖଣ୍ଡେ ବି ପାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କାଗଜ ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କାହାର ନାହିଁ ପବ୍ଲିକ ର not neither law nor judge this is for the public
In
yes
in this case, I am
ସାର୍ ସେଇଟା
on
ହଉଛି
behalf of Mr. B.S. Tripathi, my lord. He is not well today. I am for OP number 6.
କିଏ ଅଛି
no I am from the petition that matter my lord that poultry farm was allowed to continue inside the village my lord
31
sir, I am for the petitioner my lord my application was rejected on the even though the farm was allowed to establish inside
who
the
are you who are you
I am the petitioner I am the villagers my lord
ଆରେ petitioner
I am
କିଏ
the villagers on last october my
ଆପଣ
lord
ମୁଣ୍ଡ ବ୍ୟଥା ହଉଛି
ଆମ ଘର ସାଇଡ ରେ
ଡେଲି ମାନେ ପୋଲ୍ଟ୍ରି ଫାର୍ମ ବାସନା ହଉଛି
ଆପଣ ସେଟା ଆପଣ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଛନ୍ତି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡରରେ ଯେ OP3 ଯାହାର ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରୁଛୁ ସେ they have already filed counter they are saying that since it is not coming within guideline we are allowing the farm to continue though it is
ନା ମୁଁ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦେବି ଡୋଣ୍ଟ वरी
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଏବେ 1 କିଲୋମିଟର କରିଦେବି ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ
ହଁ ସେ 15 ମିଟର
ଏଇ କେସ ରେ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ 1 କିଲୋମିଟର
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଆପଣ ସେଟା କହିଥିଲେ।
ସବୁଥିରେ ଇଏ କରିବା
ଫାଷ୍ଟ
ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ शुड बी मिनिमम 1 किलोमीटर व्हाट गां ଲାଗି ଲାଗି पोल्ट्री फार्म ରେ ଗନ୍ଧ ଥିବ ଚାରିଆଡେ दिस इज नॉट
ରହି ହଉନି ସେଠି
हां ରହିବ ନା obviously so that
Well,
will tell that
Mr.
pollution control କିଏ ଅଛି
ତ ତାର
ଏଇ କେସ ରେ
କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
He has filed counter.
କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଫାଇଲ କରିସାରିଛନ୍ତି
तो एडे लगा इधर एडा 11th रे लगा 11th रे फाइल कर
आगे।
आई विल चेंज द गाइडलाइन
आगे।
11 बस नेक्स्ट
11 सेप्टेम्बर
Item 44.
Please, Lordship.
Item 44.
Lordship, I am for the opposite party number 7, Lordship. Kindly grant some time for filing of counter affidavit.
पिटिशनर की
Shall I-
पिटिशनर ने कहबे ना आपण निजे निजे
Lordship, counter affidavit ପାଇଁ କି ଅଛି?
आपण
And for the opposite party are 1 and 2 LIC there.
बट पिटिशनर नहीं
The petitioner also
आपण जणेबे ना
I called me today morning that he will take time to file rejoinder to my counter. I have also discussed with him today morning,
के
Mr. Bahali, who is absent for the petitioner. Today he called me and
you have talked to them पक्का
No, I am not.
you have not talked
I have talked with him.
okay केबे दरकार आपण लिस्ट मैटर on 18th 18th
Oh, bless you.
I may be pardoned, my lord. Item 38, my lord. I am not well. Item 42, my lord.
मेमो
Ma'am,
बिना
I'll
memo
give in
से
memo,
कोई
Item 42, my lord. 15 days time, my lord. Filing our rejoinder, my lord.
10:30 रे देबो
What you said about I am also. I am sorry, my lord.
you
I
are
am
not
also
well
not
You are
well.
looking
38.
you are looking
42
very
months.
smiling cheering what is the problem
38 any
Not
other day.
well. अलगा कोटे देख रे साथ साथ एटु जाऊ जो आरंभ कर दे
No, no, no.
Ah.
I am not well, my lord.
अच्छा
I am not well.
So,
Any day 38. Item
21
38. Sir, 42, my lord.
की अछि अपोजिट पार्टी
More of state government. 38. My lord,
38
42, my lord.
38 रुहा गुटे कॉमन सेंस नहीं तुम्हारा
Yes, sorry, my lord.
when he is saying you have to who is junior who is junior you are junior
Mine.
so when a senior lawyer jargon who is senior to you in age you have to respect it okay
Yes,
learn that
yes, my lord.
that yes कौन yes that you don't केते वर्ष लागो सिगर
1 year.
1 year हिची तुम्हारा
Yes, my lord.
oh taking advantage of that माने तो किसी कहूनी ହେଲା ତମ ସିନିୟର ଶିଖେଇ ନାହାନ୍ତି ଏଟା Under senior law टे argue करते हो तो age रे senior counsel not necessarily flab gown वाला तो एड़ा चिके अटकी भाभी सीखे ना थी ना सब पूरा bypass कर पड़े वाकु don't jump the queue like that okay yes 38 first 38 list the matter 22nd yeah now you see
Item 42, my lord.
पूरा follow कर कहले सुनिए ना
Item 42, my lord.
yes what is the problem
To 15 days time for regender.
15 days time for agenda
Yes, my lord.
you are on behalf of
Petitioner, my lord.
who is the advocate who is the advocate filing
Yes, my lord.
advocate ना कार junior अଛନ୍ତି
Dilip Kumar Mahapatra.
हाँ
Dilip Kumar Mahapatra.
okay so कौन you want time for agenda
Yes, my lord.
okay who opposite party किया छी
Government, option number 5, private.
okay number 5 private you have intimated the private party
No, my lord. So, appear करना है.
करना थी आसिना थी की
आज ही date है तो appear.
okay let's say better 4th October hello
Oblige, my lord.
My lord, item number 23.
23
Yes, in this case, I supposed to file the regender affidavit. I have prepared it.
यहाँ पर दी चंदी
No, I have prepared it.
memo दियंतु
No, I am praying for an adjournment.
एडजमेंट देले मेमो देबे बिना मेंबर मु एडजमेंट नोनी सो एंती चालथिबो आधा घंटा खाली मु एडजमेंट एटा सुनिबी
No,
मेमो देबे नहले बिना मेंबर वाला कागे सुनिबिनी आज टू मेमो लास्ट सुनि दोची मेमो करिबी
my-
व्हाट डू वांट
I will file the regender affidavit tomorrow. Your lordship may take up any day. Is
विद
coming.
ऑपोजिट पार्टी
Government.
15th September
My
नेक्स्ट आइटम वन
Item 1.
हाउ मेंशन नहीं वन
May I please address? My lord, I am in VC, my lord.
आइटम
My lord, I am
वन
in VC, I am permitted. My lord, I am in VC, I am permitted to appear to VC.
यू आर इन आइटम वन सर
My lord,
हां आइटम
sir,
वन
sir,
आइटम वन
I am in item 1, sir.
यस व्हाट इज दिस केस
Sir, the petitioner, my lord, purchased the Volvo Crodler excavator in the year of 2018.
sir
By
why do you
investing
make
15 lakh
have you
and the
taken loan from
amount.
Reserve Bank of India have you taken loan from Reserve Bank of India
No, my lord, they have violated the guidelines.
who is the Reserve Bank
interest
of
they
India
are
तो
charging
ये
more
party बना
than
देबे change this memo of party Reserve Bank of India cannot be made a party just like that Reserve Bank of India is not at all a party Reserve Bank is a financial regulator and regulator cannot be made party unless there is some regulatory issues involved just in on routine matter you cannot make Reserve Bank of India a party you change it first then I'll hear you first you change it learn counsel with the petitioner to change the memo of parties and file it on the memo and copy on the opposite party. I go fact on list the matter Tuesday. Change this for everything can't make party to the regulator, sir. I don't know what happens to this. Many people are doing this.
My lord, I may be
बैंक
permitted
कर
to
रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया को तापर बैंक करिवे पूरा हेड ऑफिस रा पूरा बैंक रा एमडी को कर दे पार्टी व्हाट इज दिस एमडी से
मतलब
बिजनेस जानि नथिबा कोन होची
I have a limited prayer, man.
no prayer unless you change I am not going to hear any prayer
My lord, I will correct it from the opposite party in the court today itself, my lord.
you correct it tomorrow I'll release the matter tomorrow correct कर दें तो काली लगे एरा कर चेंज करिया पड़ेगा that henceforth I'll do this otherwise it's not
I am permitted to correct it before the ADR, my lord.
no पूरा proper application file करिवे implement आपन कर sorry you memo correct करिवे
I will file the parties.
मैं शॉर्टकट तम जाकला हवन पूरा जेंती प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर जेंती करा जाय करिवे ना नेक्स्ट
I will file the
Item
press.
number 2.
नेक्स्ट टू आइटम 2
Item 2.
Item
ते
2.
काल लगे दे आज ही कर देन तो काल लगे दोची
My lord,
tomorrow is okay tomorrow yes
well, item 2 is a very short point to be decided. That is a selection process. And in open market advertisement was there. And opposite party number 5, participated in that selection process.
You are for the petitioner.
I am for the petitioner. I stood fast. I have secured 75% mark. But OP number 5 got the appointment. That advertisement does not reveal that any preference will be given or any more marks will be given. Advertisement.
On what basis the OP number 5 was selected then?
Because he was working there as a Wanganwadi helper, and if she is found suitable, she will be appointed, irrespective of the merit.
Was there any preference clause in the advertisement?
No, that is my case before your lordship. Can it be valid page 15?
So there is no preference?
No, there is no preference, but the guidelines. Let me,
Mr.
I'll show that. Let me.
Mr.
Well-
Mon, no, just खाली आप पचारो ची. Advertisement का कोई preference अच्छी की?
Nah.
देखा थी कोई?
2D9. Advertisement page 15, my lord. That widow, that 35 above age 35. Odia mane abandoned by husband, Swami Parityakta, physically handicap or whatever, शारीरिक अक्षम. Not able or what is the new term they are saying? My lord, differently able. शारीरिक अक्षम, निराश्रय, destitute and अवहेलित. 5. I don't know how they will assess this अवहेलित and निराश्रय. And last one is clause 2 and more than your educational.
Yes, what is your response to this? Let him answer.
My lord, that,
See, when there is no preference given, how could you?
but in guideline, my lord,
let-
that's I just draw it.
First, let me issue notice.
No, yes, my lord, but I just know that deliberation the lordship's notice, my lord, page 21. That is the guideline covering the Anganwadi workers. That says, my lord, Anganwadi helper and organizer, if having the requisite qualification, are found to be suitable, shall be selected as Anganwadi worker, provided they have worked for more than 5 years. So in this case, my lord, the opposite party number 5 have worked for more than 5 years as a helper.
No,
and having-
my question is,
Yes,
even if you have a guideline,
yes,
everybody is not supposed to know the guideline.
yes.
Whatever is, you should have reflected in the
Is the
advertisement.
advertising.
Advertisement रे आपने लेकिन आती.
On that point, I don't.
Yes, that's what.
And he has also resigned, other by resignation, he has forfeited the, well, the past
You see that,
service,
you see.
whether that he can use that
Like,
experience.
The petitioner in the present petition assails the impugned selection dated 17/10/2022 of the selection committee and subsequent order of engagement dated 19/10/2022 issued in favor of the OP number 6. OP number 6, who has been engaged as Anganwadi worker for Ramachandi Anganwadi Center. Also. Though the petitioner stood first in the competition in the selection process, the petitioner was first, but they didn't engage you or engage you after that you have been.
No. I didn't.
You never got
No,
engaged.
I
Never-
have secured 70 point.
But you have never been considered at
No.
all, right?
She has.
Okay, She was
given,
not,
huh,
she was
because
never
of his
considered by the selection committee, even if she has secured 70, secured more than 70,
70.50.
77%.
70.50.
70.50%. The grievance of the petitioner is that the OP number 6,
My lord.
OP number 6, who is an Anganwadi helper who has spent about 5 years in the said center as helper, has been selected on the basis of her experience in the center as helper. She further submits that the advertisement did not specify any such preferential qualification. Hence, the opposite party number kete selection ke korchi
Selection CDPO.
number kete opposite party number
5.
OP number 5 could not have selected the OP number 6 on the basis of some guidelines issued on 2/5/2007. See, further submits that even if a guideline is governing the field, it is imperative and the part of the government to the OP number 5 to include those include the said provision of the guideline in the advertisement for the awareness of the candidates who are applying. Issue notice. Learn concept of the state to obtain notice. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Issue notice. Learn concept of the state to obtain instruction on the above issue. List the matter on 14th September. Next.
Item number 3.
3.
May I please, your lordship. Here, my lord, the short question is, my lord, the petitioner is a lady supervisor, my lord. Initially was appointed as a Anganwadi worker. Then she was promoted in 2009.
She is not promoted.
2009 promoted, but on contractual basis. And entire career was gone, my lord. Retired in 2022. In spite of the order, my lord, she could not be regularized. For which,
Regularize केमती हुए एटा तो ये आपनकर स्कीमेटिक रेगुलराइज कोड हेबो
सुपरवाइजर रे आसियो न ए कोर्ट का
सुपरवाइजर तो स्कीमेटिक न है
Asio.
सुपरवाइजर भी स्कीमेटिक पोस्ट स्कीमेटिक पोस्ट हां
रूल्स तांगर
एथरा asio. Anganwadi worker.
This is also schematic post, sir. Supervisor.
No, CDP
No, no.
promotion party supervisor through and rule, my lord. They became the government servant.
Government servant.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Tolada was a scheme.
Say, Anganwadi is
Worker
important.
person.
Okay, I had a wrong impression.
Supervisor is a.
So this honorable court, initial stage, page 45, lordship kindly have a glance. Disposed of the writ petition during corona period, saying that if any cause of action still survives, then the petitioner is at liberty to approach the authority. Accordingly, I have approached by annexure 6 to the authority. And in the meantime, I have also retired. That annexure 6 is pending.
Take a section. Not because of the state to take a section. Will give a copy.
Lord.
Give notice to the state. List the matter on 18th September. Next.
Item number 4.
Please, my lord. Here, my lord, petitioner's prayer for appointment in the post of Shiksha Sayak has been rejected under Annexure 6, my lord. Previous, the order of this honorable court was to consider the case of the petitioner in light of your lordship's judgment.
Arey, previous chhada
In light of your lordship's judgment under Annexure 7 series. They have rejected under Annexure 6, my lord. Have a glance to page 48 and 49. My lord, they have mentioned that since
Eta kona
the
mane
case
issue ta kona
issue is, my lord, they have applied in pursuant to the advertisement under Annexure 1 for the post of Shiksha Sayak, my lord. My lord, but even though their name was
problem.
even though their name was found place in the select list, but my lord, they were not issued with the order of appointment.
Their name was there is a selection list.
Yes, my lord.
Kete number.
My lord, this
Serial number
that
kete?
this, list I have not enclosed, but my lord, our name was found place, which my lord, that is not in dispute, my lord. But my lord, they have now rejected on the ground that this case is not similar to your the judgment rendered by your lordships under Annexure 7 series. Even though, my lord, I have a glance to page 56, 57 and 58 of the writ petition, that is your lordship's order, my judgment, my lord. Page 57, paragraph 12 is the relevant portion, my lord.
Let him take instruction and let him examine that.
Well,
Not cause for the state to take instruction. Whether the present petitioner is covered under the rate appeal number 701 up to 2019. Then under Annexure 7 series. Not consider the state to examine. List the matter. 21st.
oh, bless.
Give a copy.
My lord, today.
Ebe.
In course of the day, my lord, I will.
Copy shall be given. Private party.
No, my lord.
Okay, next.
Obli.
Item number 5.
May I please observe? Petitioner victim of a rape, my lord, has a prayer.
ଆପଣ victim compensation ଆମେ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ଆଇଛ ନା victim compensation ଥିବ ବୋଲି କାହାର
Sir,
Yes.
claim and sir, 3 is pending.
ଏଟା କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଫିକ୍ସ ଫିକ୍ସ କେମିତି ନିଅନ୍ତି ମାନେ ଏର ପରସେଣ୍ଟେଜ ନା କେମିତି ନିଅନ୍ତି this is champati. Don't do champati, sir. Champati is not good. Champatas litigation. You know champatas litigation? Find the Google. Google re find kar champatas litigation na kaun. Champati. You have heard champati contract. Anyway, sir, what is the issue?
Answer 3 is pending.
Hmm?
Answer 3 for early disposal. Answer 3 before opinion number 3. Claim petition. Answer 3 claim petition.
Claim. କେବେ କରିଥିଲେ
17/10/2020
ଆପଣ ହେଇନି ଏ ଯାଏ
କିଛି ହେଇନି।
କଣ ହେଲା ସାର୍
ମ୍ୟାଡମ District Legal Services Authority opinion number 3
ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଇନି
ଏଇଟା compensation for rape
ସାର୍ କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଇନି ଏ ଯାଏ ପଚାରୁଛି 20 ରୁ କଲେଣି କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଇନି
କିଛି ହେଇନି ସାରା ସେଇ ସାସ
କିଛି ହେଇନି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ବୁଝିଥିବେ ନା କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ କାରଣ ଥିବ ନା Okay, issue notice. काको पार्टी बनेछिली
opinion मतलब District Legal Services Authority State Legal Services Authority
हां
मतलब
1 2
yes 1 2 3 pending before 3
okay 3 टा दे देबे ठीक रजिस्टर्ड पोस्ट कर दे सेक्रेटरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल 1 और 2 नहीं 1 टा ये नेबे Mr. Moon waves of notice for opinion number 1, 2 and 3 this sent by registered post authority. This is button 26th. 26th next.
Item 6.
6 next.
Lords, this is a long fight between the petitioner and OP number 6.
Oh, long fight.
Since
what is the long fight?
Since 2007, a number of writ petitions have been filed. And
why? What is the case?
Case is regarding appointment of AWD in 10th litigation. Appointment of Anganwadi in a place, in a village. So the petitioner was selected. She joined. She has been keeping highest marks. She joined as Anganwadi. This OP number 6 made a complaint that she is not.
She continued till how many years?
She continued around 1 year, around less than a year.
After that, OP number 6 filed a complaint.
That she is not a resident of the local area.
Oh,
that was the complaint.
Actually, you are resident.
I belong to the next village, but my husband works as a teacher in that. That was. Then that is
not allowed.
That's not. Yes, I am coming.
Then why? Then you have no case.
No. Not that I am coming.
Because your husband is working as a teacher in the nearest village. That will give you.
That not. I am not on that point. I am coming.
Oh, what is on the point?
Then there was the writ petition. She came. I filed appeal. In appeal, I was not heard. In the revision, I also not heard. Lastly, I was disengaged, and she was invited to join as AWD. She joined as AWD.
Who? That other party.
Other party.
Then
I made a complaint also that she is not a resident of that village.
She is a resident of which village?
She is resident of very far away. And that again her residence certificate got cancelled.
Then
she filed appeal. Appeal she won. She continued. I filed a writ petition before this honorable court. And in the writ petition I won. And it was decided that
so you mean to say the High Court is the culprit?
No, no, no. No, no, no. No,
ଆପଣ ରିଡ୍ କଲେ ସେ ରିଡ୍ କଲା ସେ
now I am coming to the annex
ପଢି
one.
ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ରୁ ରିଡ୍ ଯାହା ଆଉଥରେ ପରୀକ୍ଷା
ନା।
କରେ ଆଉଥରେ ଖତମ ହେଇଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା
Now,
ୟାର ରିଡ୍ ତାର ରିଡ୍ ଚାରିଟା ଲେଖା କରିକି ଲାଭ କଣ
now I am coming to the crux of the matter.
now ଆମେ coming to the cross of the matter, I am cancelling it and allowing them to
No, no.
have a fresh selection.
No, no, my lord.
Board
Annexer
ଏତେ
one. Your
confident
lordship
ଅଛି
may, your lordship may come to annexer one. The advertisement itself.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର issue କଣ କହନ୍ତୁ ପୁରା crux of the matter one
Yes,
line, one
issue
line.
ହେଲା
ହଁ
annexer one page 20.
ହଁ
ଯୋଗ୍ୟତା.
ଯୋଗ୍ୟତା ଯୋଗ୍ୟତାର ଉପରେ ଆପଣ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ କହୁଛି ପ୍ରାର୍ଥୀ ଦରଖାସ୍ତ ଆହ୍ୱାନ କରାଯାଇଥିବା କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଗ୍ରାମ ପଡା ଅଞ୍ଚଳ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା ମୁଁ ଡେଲି ପଢିକି
ତା ପରଟା ସାର୍।
ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ଆସ
ତା ପରଟା ସାର୍ ସାର୍
ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲାଣି
ତା ପରଟା ସାର୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଲାଇନ
ହଁ
କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଅସ୍ତାବ ଅଞ୍ଚଳର ଯଥା ଗ୍ରାମ ପଡାର ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥୀ ଥିଲେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଗ୍ରାମରୁ ଆସିଥିବା ଦରଖାସ୍ତ ଗ୍ରହଣ ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ହେବ ନାହିଁ ଯଦି ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥୀ ଥିଲେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଗ୍ରାମରୁ ଆସିଥିବେ ନଥିବେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଗ୍ରାମରୁ ଆସିଥିବା
ଜାଣିଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ସେ ଗାଁରେ କେହି ନଥିଲେ କି ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କେହି ନଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ଆଇଲେ ବାହାରୁ
ଆମେ ମୁଁ ନିୟର ବାଇ ଭିଲେଜ ଜଷ୍ଟ
ସେ ଗାଁରେ କେହି ନଥିଲେ
ସେ ଆମେ
ଗାଁରେ କେହି ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିନଥିଲେ
ଆମେ ଦି ଜଣ ୟୁ ଲର୍ଡସିପ ଦି ଜଣ କେବଳ ଆମର ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ହେଲା ମୋର ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ହେଲା ସେ ଗାଁର କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ତାର
ଗାଁର ଆଉ କେହି ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଥିଲେ
ଆଉ କେହି ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିନଥିଲେ କାରଣ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ତ ହେଲାନି ନା
ବେଲେ କେମିତି ହବ ସେ କହିବେ ସରକାର କହିବେ ସେ ଗାଁରେ ଆଉ କେହି ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଥିଲେ କଣ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ କଣ ଏବେ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ କଣ
ଏବେ ମାଇ ପ୍ରେୟର ଇଜ ଟୁ
ପ୍ରେୟାର କଥା କହୁନି ଏବେ
ଏବେ
କି
she is continue now she is continuing
କେତେ ଦିନ ହେଲାଣି I know that କେତେ ଦିନ ହେଲାଣି ସେ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛି
from 2007
ଆଉ କାହିଁକି ତାକୁ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ କରିବେ
ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା legally I am entitled
ଏତେ ବର୍ଷ କଲା ପରେ ଆଉ କଣ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ କରିବେ
when legally I am illegally she is continuing can this honorable court
ତାହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ
allow
କାମ ଆପଣ କେହି ଲିଗାଲ ନୁହେଁ ସେ ବି ଲିଗାଲ ନୁହେଁ ଆପଣ ଦୁଇଟା କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ
ମୁଁ
କରିଦେବେ
କହି ଦଉଛି
cancel only solution
let him
cancel
decide it when I am from the neighboring village so I have right
ଆଜ୍ଞା ନେବରିଂ ଭିଲେଜ ସେ ବି ତ ନେବରିଂ ଭିଲେଜ
ନା ସେ neighboring village ନୁହଁ ସେ ଅଲଗା district
ହଁ
ସେ ଅଲଗା district ର
ଅଲଗା ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ
ର
ଆପଣ ଅଲଗା ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ବାଲା ବି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମାଲ ଫାଲ ଖାଇ ଦେଇଥିବ ସେଠି କି ଅଲଗା ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ଆପଣ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାକ୍ଟରି ଆନ୍ସର ପାଇବେ ନାହିଁ
message continue under
ନୋଟିସ ଯିବନି ଆଉ କେମିତି ଯିବ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପାଟି ବନେଇଛନ୍ତି
ହଁ ହଁ OP6
ନୋଟିସ
rest notice ତ ଆପଣ ସରକାର
the petitioner issue notice to open number
6
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 and learn concept of the state waves of notice for 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 give copies 5 copies
5 copies
Give it
I'll sir
release the matter on October 3 October as
no placement
Item 7.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to the opposite parties for appointment as Anganwadi worker in place of opposite party number 4. Initially, the petitioner
come here copy it give a copy what is the issue
Your Lordship,
initially
initially the petitioner approached before additional district magistrate challenging the selection process. In that,
who was the highest scorer in the exam
Your Lordship, one Ranjita Naik has been appointed as Anganwadi worker.
I am asking of the relative merit who is the more meritorious than the other one who is meritorious
Your Lordship,
I am asking who is meritorious कार अधिक मार्क थिला
here the case is made at the opposite
I am
party
asking
number 4
कार अधिक
not
मार्क
belong to the service area was
I
appointed.
am not on that कार अधिक मार्क थिला ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି କେସ୍ करे रिलेटिव मेरिट ଗୋଟେ ଚାର୍ଟ ବନେଇ ଆଣିବ ସମସ୍ତ କହୁଛି କେହି ଆଣନ୍ତି ଭାରି ଅନଫର୍ଚୁନେଟ रिलेटिव मेरिट କାର ଅଧିକ ମାର୍କ ଥିଲା ଆଉ ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ सर्टिफिकेट କାର କୋଉଠୁ ଥିଲା ଏତିକି ତ କହିବା କଥା ଦୁଇ ଲାଇନ ଛୋଟ ପେପର ଲେଖିଦା ନବୁଡି कार अधिक मार्क थिला को ना नहीं फाइल पढ़ी थी जानी कार मार्क अधिक who is more meritorious than the other?
Here the case is different, my lord.
I am
The
asking, ma'am, your case. This is basic information I require. Case may be different. Now tell me what is the difference.
uh, uh, initially the petitioner approached before additional district magistrate challenging the selection process. The selection process in which the opposite party number 4 was selected, who was not belong to the service area. And then the additional district magistrate set aside the selection of OP number 4, and the matter was remitted back to the selection process. Then challenging that order, the OP number 4 approached before this honorable court, and your lordship dismissed the writ application and directed to comply the order passed by additional district magistrate. But till now, the OP number 4 neither disengaged from service nor the petitioner has been appointed.
That means contempt. Contempt case.
Not contempt.
Obviously, if the court says they disengage them. then
In previous writ application, the petitioner was the OP number 5.
I'm not saying that. In previous, so the previous order was not compliant. That you need to say.
You have to dismiss the writ petition filed by the private appeal. That's why now the appeal, the order.
Appeal has been now in the appeal it has been allowed. Your appeal has been allowed,
Yes, ma'am.
right? To set aside the appointment of the OP number 4. Yet they have not done that. That is your question,
Yes,
right?
my lord.
Okay. Now, the petitioner. Petitioner simply take instruction. No, that is right. Regular consistent to take instruction regarding the non-compliance of the order passed by ADM
Noyagarh.
Nayagarh.
In Hon'Ble appeal number 14.
Hon'Ble appeal number
14 of 2011.
14 of 2011.
Yes, ma'am.
And 15 of 2011.
এটা কেবেকার এটা 23 ঠিক আছে রেডি মানস 22nd আছে না 22nd
Obliged.
Item 8.
8
मतलब यारली disposal of EC case मिलोड़ा filed in 2019 it was नहीं अपॉर्ड
EC means
employee compensation case it was a filed in 2019 it did not register after intervention of the national court it was registered in 2022 that is pending मिलोड़
Yeah, 22
उन्नीस रे फाइल इतना बा
এটা কোন এটা কোন
मतलब यारली disposal of EC case ना 5 2022
और ऑलरेडी डिस्पोजल
yes
के कोड पेंडिंग আছে
मतलब OP number 2
कोड कितने नंबर
OP number 2
कितने नंबर
number EC case number 5 of 2022
22 ର କେସ୍ ରେ ଏବେ 23 ଆପଣ
ସେଟା 19 ରୁ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଥିଲା ନମ୍ବର ହେଲା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଗଲା ପରେ
ନମ୍ବର ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଲା କଲେନି ଆପଣ
ଏ ନମ୍ବର ହେଲାନି ସେ ବିଲକୁଲ 22 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
କେସ୍ କୌଣସି ଅର୍ଡର ଆଶା କରିବେନି
ନା ସାର୍ 19 ରୁ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି ଅର୍ଡର ହେଲା ପରେ ନମ୍ବର ହେଇଛି ଅର୍ଡର ହେଲା ପରେ ନମ୍ବର ହେଇଛି
ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ
19 ରୁ ଆସିକି 22 ରେ ନମ୍ବର
not entertain this is jumping the queue the petitioner 6 in the case what another
ନା ସାର୍ 19 ରୁ
their board what is that unnecessary
I am very sorry to submit the order because of fine 19 I have complained not otherwise I have not filed
कार नेग्लेक्ट है ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି why should I pass order ये नेग्लेक्ट कौन आपण 19 ରୁ फाइल कले कौन सोई 19 फाइल करी आपण नंबरिंग करेलिनी सुन हियरिंग हे दादा
नंबर से करी
डिफेक्ट थिबो ऑब्वियसली काहे नंबर न लहबो डिफेक्ट नथले नंबर न होई
डिफेक्ट ले 2 वर्ष तो नोटिफाई करले कोन ओटा स्टेप ताको तरफ 8 वर्ष
डिफेक्ट रिमूव करिवेनी कोन हबो ताले
ताको तरफ तो 8 से तरफ 8 वर्ष ऑर्डर भी हेता ना सर
चाहुनी आपण सीधा मिस्टेक आई एम सेइंग नो
सर उड्राइव फाइल
फॉर द ऑनरेबल प्रे फॉर दिस कोर्ट टू इश्यू ऑर्डर to the which court
OP number 2
OP number 2
commissioner for employees compensation come deputy commissioner Noyagarh
commissioner
yes commissioner for employees compensation come
OP number 2 to show to decide the EC case number 5 of 2022 Considering the request of the Land Council petitioner, the OP number 2 is directed to dispose of the EC case number 5 of 2022 within a period of 3 months from today. Hello?
Hon'Ble.
Dispose of. Next.
Item 9.
Item 9, I am for the insurance company, my lord. Item 9, my lord. My lord, I will
Is the
come back the
content-
details, my lord, already payment has been made, my lord. I will come back details. Next to my. Lordship may call it on 14.
14. Okay, let it come 14. On the request of the Land Council.
Both the matters, my lord.
Both the 9 and 10. The 9 register.
9 and 3
Connected. Okay. ठीक है.
मतलब फास्ट केस रे एडवोकेट ना बीपी नायक टा डिलीट
हाँ.
he joined in the judicial service.
BP Naik. Okay.
BP Naik.
BP Naik. On the request of the Land Council. Next. Next.
Item number 10.
Item 10, I pray for some more time to obtain instruction.
May I please?
10.
Matter relating to selection of Sikha lordship.
Land Council State seek instruction to take 6 time to take instruction in the matter list the matter on 25th Ras.
5th October.
25th September.
In the meantime,
time.
in the meantime, your lordship's order has already been complied.
Compliant.
In another writ application.
It's rain.
No lordship.
Let him.
And your lordship is that author of that. Just
Let him comply. Let him comply. No, hello.
because state government is going to recruit.
Let him. Give him the copy.
Already give.
Take 12. Next.
Item 11.
11.
My pleasure. PLA matter, my lord, a notice has been issued on 13/7. Would
Yes.
appear yet?
Yeah. Permanent local adalat.
Mine,
Who is the opposite party? No,
not appeared yet, my lord.
none appears for the opposite party. The last chance is granted to the opposite party to appear in person or through advocate. Or else this court shall proceed with proceed ex parte in hearing the matter. This is the matter on 12th September. Next.
Item 12.
May it please your lordship, I may be permitted to submit through VC minutes.
Yes.
I'm obliged. My lords, this matter, there is a dispute between the petitioner company and the Kerala Electricity Board, if your lordship remember.
तो
And
भाई तुम्हारा केरला इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड खत्म नहीं हुआ अभी तक.
नहीं खत्म हो गया सर, खत्म हो गया. We will file the settlement, my lords. Bank, we have also renewed the.
So you want some time for that.
Yes, ma'am. I'm so grateful. My lord.
Land Council of the petitioner takes some time to file the settlement. Since the settlement, they have already
Renewed the bank guarantee.
arrived at a settlement. List the matter on 5th Rasudal. 5th na avru dorka.
Okay. I got next.
Chaudhary.
I'm grateful.
Next.
13.
13.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, the interlocutory application involved for the restoration of the writ application. What happened here? This honorable court, my lord, directed to file requisite as against the OP number 5. My lord, notice was issued. Notice was issued and the AD not back, for which this
Okay,
honorable court.
you want restoration?
Restoration.
Okay, restoration. Next.
Item 14.
2010 ର matter ଟା.
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
ଆପଣ ଏଡି ଏଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର pending
2010 and this honorable court directed 4/8/2016. Direct me to file requisite.
10 ରୁ 16 तक आपण requisite file करना.
ना file करथुल ना. Your lordship kindly see the order dated 21/6/2016. The order sheet shows
dismiss केबे हला.
dismiss आगे 16 रे
2016 रे.
आगे.
तापर से एते पर एते दिन पर आपण registration file कले.
What happened here?
Sorry नहीं करो. एते दिन पर registration file कले.
No, restoration, what happened here?
Sorry,
Your lordship.
I don't want to.
No, my lord, I agree your lordships. I agree your lordships, my lord. What happened here?
सर जहाँ है तो मैं एते 7 वर्ष डिले कंडोन करी परिबी नहीं. Sorry. जहाँ भी तो आपन रीजन.
हजूर
ଯାହା ବି ହେଇଥିବ, ଯଦି 7 ବର୍ଷ କରୋନା ହେଇଥିଲେ ବି କରିନଥାନ୍ତି।
ना ना सत्य
वे-
करुणा प्लीडिंग तो
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ,
आई एम
କହୁଛି,
नॉट
ଯଦି
टेकन दैट प्लीड
କହୁଛି, ସେମିତିଆ ଗ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଜିନିଷ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ବୋଲି ବି କରିନଥାନ୍ତି।
नहीं
Because this-
सर लाचेस ऑफ द लॉ आई एम नॉट सेइंग माय लॉर्ड
କାହାର
आज्ञा
7 ବର୍ଷ କେବେ କରିବେନି, ନେଭର।
से प्रीवियस काउंसिल आज्ञा से
ସାର୍
रिक्विजिट
କାଉନସିଲ ଦୋଷ ଦେଲେ କାଉନସିଲ ନାଁରେ କେସ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଯାଇକି ସେ ବାର କାଉନସିଲ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଏଠିକି
एमते
ଆସନ୍ତୁ।
आज्ञा भाई भाई आज्ञा
ତାହେଲେ ଆମ
राखी पूर्णिमा रे आज्ञा भाई भाई झगड़ा आई
ଫେର କିଏ କଣ କରିବ? ସରି କରନ୍ତୁ, dismiss କରନ୍ତୁ। Next, I dismiss.
Item
your
14.
lordship में my lord one observation my lord
Sir,
I'll
କିଛି
find
objection ଦେବେନି, simply dismissed. Dismissed. The objection ଦଉଛି।
No,
The
no, your
resolution, the Lord Counsel, the petitioner
observation
has
आज्ञा
filed the restoration application after a long 7 years, which cannot be allowed by this court, which cannot be condoned. So hence the dismissal. Next.
your lordship में liberty में भी given
How
to
can liberty? How court liberty?
no no your
ଆଉ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
କୋଉଠି ଯିବେ ଆପଣ? କୋଉଠିକି ଦେବେ ଲିବର୍ଟି? ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ।
ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ହଜୁର ଯାଇପାରିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅର୍ଡର
ଆଉ
against
ଫିର କୋଉ ଲିବର୍ଟି ଦେବି? ଏଇଠି ଆଇଲା ମୋ କୋର୍ଟରେ ମୁଁ କୋଉଠି ଯିବି?
ନା ଏଟା ରେଷ୍ଟୋର ହେଇକି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଉ ଥରେ ଶୁଣା
ହବ 7 years ଆପଣ ଶୋଇପଡିଥିବେ, ହଠାତ୍ ଉଠିକି ଆସିବେ, ରେଷ୍ଟୋର କରିବେ? କି କରିବି? ମୁଁ ତ କରିବି।
no no what happened here my
କଣ
lord
ହେଲା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି।
merit of the case
Merit
of the case
ଯିବି, 7
see,
years
OP number 5 ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଜୁର ଗୋଟେ second
merit of the case is that
just a minute
merit of the case is that your client is not interested to pursue the matter and the lawyer has
no
neglected it very.
my lord in my place OP number 5 was appointed for which the present petition before your lordship
କାହିଁ ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ସେଟଲ ଜିନିଷକୁ ଅନସେଟଲ କରିବି ଏବେ? ଆପଣ ଅଲଗା ପାର୍ଟକୁ ବୁଝୁନାହାନ୍ତି। ଆପଣଙ୍କ
ନା ନା ସିଏ ପରା ମରିଗଲାଣି OP number 5 now died
ପ୍ରେସ ହବ ଯାଇକି ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରନ୍ତୁ।
your lordship may observe that
କାହିଁକି ଅବଜର୍ଭ କରିବି? ମୁଁ ତ ଡିସମିସ କରିବି, ମୁଁ ଅବଜର୍ଭ କାହିଁ କରିବି? I am
No, no,
dismissing on the ground of delay only. Why should I observe? This is not done. Next.
Item number 14.
14. 14.
May I please your lordship? In this case on section 20B2C, accused is in custody since 37/2020, 3 years ହେଇଗଲାଣି.
କେତେ quantity କେତେ?
705 gram co-accused has already been released on bail by your lordship on 4/7/2023, which is at page number 70. 70 ର ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା petition page number 70.
Criminal understand.
Same footing.
Check it. Lord Counsel the state to check the criminal antecedent of the present petitioner. List the matter on 8th address.
My lord, oblige.
Next.
Item 15.
My lord, 8 तारीख ପରେ ଆସିବ, I am having a personal problem for that.
11?
ହଁ
Okay, 11.
oblige my lord.
Item 15.
Non-compliance of the order of my lords. As an Anganwadi worker, my lord directed that she should be reinstated in service with consequential benefits, my lord. That area dues has not been paid, they have reinstated me.
Yes, ma'am. In this case, we have filed an application for clarification of the order in writ petition. As because the Honorable Court has directed to reinstate and grant consequential benefit. She is a Anganwadi worker, that is CMT, so she is not entitled for any consequential benefit. As because
Where is the order? Which order you have?
Order, my lord. Although I have enclosed, my lord.
Enclosed.
Oh, I have told you to file that.
Yes, already we have filed. So that writ has not.
ଟିକେ wait କରନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ.
So writ
clarification ସେ ଅଲଗା କୋର୍ଟ ରେ ଅଛି।
nice writ it is.
ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି।
Yes, it is.
Let us pass by somebody else. I am not.
Yes, 2015 Honorable Justice BP Rai by that.
Okay, outer us.
So read sang asu.
Oh. Read the number kuhantu.
WPC number 6633 of 2013.
Let the matter be tagged along with WPC number
6633.
6633 of
2013.
2013. List around 14th.
Right.
Next.
Item 16.
14th, my lord, I will be absent, my lord. Next, any other day.
Quota?
Same matter.
14 we are not.
14th September.
Okay, let it come on 21st.
21st.
Upon number
15.
Item
16.
16 Miller, in the first hour, I was praying for an adjournment to file a rejoinder. My learned senior appearing for the opposite party was not present, therefore.
Rejoinder, petitioner 2 weeks time to file the rejoinder. List the matter on 25th September.
As your lordship.
Okay, next.
Item 17.
17.
3 PM. Sorry.
Item 17.
CPM, okay.
Item 18.
Mr. Seth.
Yes, my lord. Last, your lordship directed to government advocate. So, as per White Annexure 3, why not the petitioner appointed as Jogana Sahayak post in Kopila Bhatta Gram Panchayat?
Your lordship directed Mr. Naik to obtain instruction whether he can be accommodated or not, my lord. Today I got information that today they are coming to our office, my lord. Let it come Tuesday or Wednesday.
1 week time. Okay.
Short date.
Okay, Lord, consider the states, 6 for 1 week time. To take instruction list the matter on 12 first. 12.
Yes.
19.
19.
My
Sorry,
pleasure, Lordship.
sorry, Nisila.
No.
ଏଥିରେ ଆପଣ bond ଟା ମଗେଇଥିଲେ bond ଟା ଗୋଟେ short date ଦିନ
My lord, there is no bond at all. That is why.
ଟଙ୍କା ମୁଁ ତ
It's
ଜାଣିନି
only delaying. The matter is only delayed. That's it. Nothing more.
Last time कौन order देते?
Last time
bond ଟା
you had given last chance to submit, or else you will pass the order, my lord. Final judgment you will be.
You've not got the details.
Because the client, client is saying that he has never signed a bond, so there is no bond.
Let
at all.
them give the details, it might help me. So let it come on 5th. Let him get that. Allah, 5th Raj. Because sometimes whatever, some information might help me. I'm hearing one side, nah. I'm not getting the information from the
Yes, but it is again lingering from
It may be right.
2015.
Just give another 3 4 days.
My
5th,
lord.
5th, okay.
5th of September, right?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Next.
20.
Your lordship, petitioner filed this writ petition for appointment of Shiksha Saika under Puri district for arts graduate.
What is your grievance?
That's what I'm saying, submitting before you. Appointment of Shiksha Saika under Puri district for arts graduate. TGT against vacant posts, she may be given opportunity to apply.
So you had preferred how many option? Which are the other districts you have preferred option?
I have preferred 4 options. First preference is Puri, but my post
Fourth
was
preference is-
posting
fourth
for
preference
fourth
is
preference
Bhadrak.
where there is no post for SC women women TGT graduate.
So now
And
what
she
is-
kindly
now,
glass
now
for
what,
current.
where are you now? What is your status?
Now I am
You are floating.
yes.
You're floating.
Yeah, lordship.
Yes.
this is your less mark, my lord.
My lord,
Just 86.3690%. But the last selected candidate on her category is what?
What is your category?
Your
category?
ତା category ହଉଛି +3 arts untrained SC.
but my case is that I'm trained graduate as SC women category.
SC women.
Yes,
So there is your okay horizontal reservation.
I'm eligible candidate for
Women
that.
women reservation is also
Your
there.
lordship.
So in your category last percentage.
Last percentage ଥିଲା ଯେ ନେଇ ପାଇଛି ତାର ହଉଛି 181.617%.
Your lordship.
181. And her mark?
यार ଅଛି 86 point
Only 86.
86.3.
181. It's a difference.
Yeah.
It's a difference.
It's the wrong submission.
No, no, cut off, sorry, cut.
Okay, you tell me the right submission.
Exactly. Your lordship.
Yes.
As OP4 admitted.
You tell me one thing.
Okay.
What is your marks? I mean, what is the difference between your marks and the last man who got selected? Her mark. You mean her marks.
Your lordship.
What is the difference? Take that
Para
list.
counter of the OP para 5. Kindly glance your lordship. He has clearly mentioned my percentage mark is 86.3690%.
Para
5.
of the counter.
Of the
Counter by
counter.
OP number 4, my lord.
Your
State
lordship.
counter.
The petitioners neither submitted B.Ed pass certificate nor filled up said column in her application. B.Ed is also necessary?
Yeah, Lordship.
So you are on trend BA.
No, trend pay.
Can
At the time of corrigendum advertisement,
Ah.
I'm praying for here, for get
At
opportunity
the time,
to apply for
at the
online.
time, on the last date of submission, you have acquired the B.Ed
I have
degree.
appeared exam, result is upheld. I have filed undertaking, OP4 has received. And then my post was placed in Bhadrak 4th preference. So that on that basis, I am trained. Because of
that
that
basis
B.Ed certificate already accepted by the OP.
Accepted.
Yeah, Lordship. Counter.
When did you pass
counter
actually?
reply.
When did you pass? Did you pass after the cut-off date or before cut-off date? Passing of B.Ed. Kebe pass karo?
Before cut-off date.
Before cut-off date.
Yeah,
They have
Lordship.
accepted.
Kindly glance
They have
date check,
accepted that.
Lordship.
Have they accepted that?
Your Lordship. He has admitted in his para reply to count rejoinder.
How it could be allowed when you are
Your
not
Lordship.
giving the certificate before the last date? Last date certificate allow can you? Anyway, then next come to the mark part. So you have
86.3690%.
अरे तुम्हारा ये लोग परसेंटेज भी निकाला नहीं आता क्या इनको?
But
कंप्यूटर ये तो बाहर करी वो 3690 ଏମିତି କି ବାହାର करे 0.36 तक रखी दो दुईटा डिजिट रखा जाए परसेंटेज ଏତିକି ବି मैथमेटिक्स ଏତିକି ଶିଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି ତମ ଅଫିସର ଗୁଡା
but Gunanidhi Bhoi in his para 12 in reply of the
लास्ट
OP,
कैंडिडेट मार्क ଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ
83.
ଏଟା ଜଣା ପଡିଲାନି ଏଥିରୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ
Sir,
कैंडिडेट ମାର୍କ
kindly
କୁହନ୍ତୁ
glance,
ଆପଣ ପୁରୀରେ ଆଗ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ
ଆପଣ
ଆପଣ
ଲାଷ୍ଟ
ଗୁଣନିଧି
कैंडिडेट
ଆଡେ
କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ।
ନା मैडम लास्ट कैंडिडेट मार्क କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ कैंडिडेट जो सिलेक्ट ହେଇଥିଲା
last candidate 83.054.
No.
କୋଉଠୁ ପାଇଲେ ସେଟା
He has admitted in reply to rejoinder.
କିଏ ଏଡମିଟ କରିଛି
OP4.
OP4 ମାନେ ये जो सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट
हाँ.
ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅଲଗା ଆଡେ ପଳେଇଲେଣି ସେ ଭଦ୍ରକ ପଳେଇଲେଣି ଆଗ ସେ ପୁରୀରେ ଆଗ
I'm saying
ପୁରୀ
मैडम
ମାନେ
ଗୋଟେ କାମ
I am
କରନ୍ତୁ
clarifying
କେତେ
my lord.
କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ଅଛି
There is no
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ
confusion.
ମୁଁ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ହଉଛି ହେଲା ମୁଁ ଆପଣ କେସ ଟା ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କେସ ରେ ଆପଣ ମାଷ୍ଟର ୟୁ ଆର ମାଷ୍ଟର ଅଫ ୟୁର କେସ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ନଟ୍ ମାଷ୍ଟର ଅଫ ୟୁର କେସ ସୋ ଡୁ वन थिंग गिव ए शॉर्ट नोट
Okay.
stating that these are the issues a comparative marks of the last candidate of all the
I have
districts
annexed your
just
lordship.
hold on and next ମୁଁ ପାଉନି ସେ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଆପଣ comparative chart ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ you vis-a-vis the last candidate you vis-a-vis the last candidate Bhadrak you vis-a-vis the last candidate Puri you vis-a-vis the last candidate in ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଦୁଇଟା district ଚାରିଟା ଯାକ district ର last candidate ଆପଣଙ୍କ mark କେତେ କେତେ ମତେ ଦେଖିବେ ସେଠି ଚାରିଟା ଦିନ ଦେଖା then we'll see
Already mark list.
मार्क
annexed
लिस्ट
your
ମୁଁ
lordship.
କଣ କରିବି ମତେ ଦରକାର comparative mark ଆପଣ vis-a-vis the last candidate in all 4 districts that is what is required ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ ମୁଁ କଣ କହିଲି your mark vis-a-vis the last mark secured by the candidates in all the districts give a chart that will clarify the position rather than saying all here and there it's not ଆପଣ କଣ पूरा फोकस से आसु ना ना सब एने तने पढ़ेबे आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड आई एम फोकस्ड
ଯେତେବେଳେ କେବେ ଗଲା
You are free on Monday? Monday?
I don't know the reason, but I have got objection. If I am misleading the facts, there is often an order of stay, and I have been deprived of getting my post there. And I have filed my objection to initiate a contempt proceeding as well as a criminal proceeding. This is the background. But I don't know, but this is the.
Again, Monday, let's see Monday, see on Monday.
This is the
Monday.
matter which I mentioned before Lordship yesterday, but I think because of your Lordship's past order, it has come normally. Even though your Lordship were directed to keep it on past.
Today is today.
Yesterday I made a mention, your Lordship posted this case to Monday, I mean 1st of September. Yesterday, tomorrow. I think, but because of the previous Lordship's order, it has come automatically today. Because it is rearranged, it was there in the list 1 month back.
Monday, let's have Monday.
Monday.
They gargle properly.
The order.
My lord,
I have made a
party. I'm not saying it.
Yes.
Human Rights Commission can't be made party. I'm not saying that.
Yes.
But here, what your prayer is against whom?
Against the order passed by the Lord Human Rights Commission, my lord, rejecting my application, my lord. I have also made a party, opposite party number 1, my lords. That I have made in
What is
party.
the issue?
My lords, electrical death, my lord. My lords, the order was passed by the
Death due to electrocution.
electrocution, my lords. Yes, last occasion, let's remember.
Oh.
Let's see for a moment. Last occasion, hearing at length, my lord. Lordship was fixed today for final disposal, my lord. So Lordship is direct me to brought all the decisions, my lord. I have also, my lord, with me, my lord, the decisions I have given, my lord, this honorable court as well as the honorable Apex court, and recently judgment also Allahabad High Court as well as the, my lord, Jammu Kashmir High Court, my lords. The same set of fact, my lord. Lordship may kindly for a moment.
Which is the quite closer to the.
Yes,
fact.
my lord. Yes, I have,
Okay.
my lord. Lordship, first decision, I have given all the decisions. All the decisions. Sab jati hum,
Show me the first decision.
First
which is
decision,
quite closer
Honorable
to this
Allahabad
case.
High Court, Honorable Allahabad High Court, where the playing with the cricket, this is the also same situation, my lord. The paragraph 2, let's see, my kindly. 2 kids, namely Yes Pal Singh, aged about 12 years, and Ankit Kumar Yadav, aged about 14 years, were playing ball in front of the house number so and so, belong to Mr. R.C. Singh, situated in Gaurav Vihar Colony, police station, Center, Lucknow, and these tangic and the heartbeat reading so and so. That is the same self-attack, my lord. The Lordship, my
Aage badho.
Again, my lords, may I permit to place me? When during course of playing ball, both incident children came into contact with a naked 11 kV transmission line passing over the touching the rope of the house number 31, and in the consequence thereof, both innocent children injured seriously by electrocution. As a consequence, both hands and the leg of both the children have been amputated, a rare condition. The leading a something even those then 100% permanent disability. Here, my lord, the not disability. Here, my lord, death. My lord, the electrocution it was shocked. Then, my lord, it was shifted to hospital, SC Medical College Hospital, my lord.
Okay.
Then, my lord, it was declared death, my lord.
Then what happened here? What is the order passed?
Yes, order was compensation was awarded, my lord. After
Where is
being
that?
all the, yes, Lordship last operative portion, my lord. Lordship may came to.
Here also high tension line.
Yes, my lord. The
Above.
rope of the house, 6 feet, rope of the house, my lord. 6 feet, my lord.
Okay.
And my lord, the paragraph 62, the operative portion of the order. Here, my lord, grant the compensation last page, my lord.
50,000.
First, yes, 4 lakhs, then 50,000, the
Who
loss
will
of
pay?
compensation.
Who will pay?
My lord, the electricity department, my lord.
Here.
Yes,
Where is that order?
my lord, Lordship, may kindly see immediately.
Compensation will be paid by whom?
Yes, that IB manage, my lord, may I permitted to place, my lord, last portion, my lord. The chairman, managing director of department with consultation of assistant of the director general of health service, Lucknow, also may be considered the case for immediate medical treatment. So
That
also
is the medical
the
treatment.
treatment, my lord.
Where is
No, my
where
lord,
is
the
compensation?
respondents, those are respondent electricity department, my lord.
Who?
Yes, my lord, the respondent, first page, my lord, respondent, state of UP, through principal secretary, electricity, and 5 others. Department, electrical department also made a party in the said case, my lord. Yes,
Then
next case, my
then
lord.
other case?
Yes, my lord, the Honorable Jammu and Kashmir, Honorable High Court of Jammu and Kashmir. Lordship, may kindly see. Yes, my lord, the paragraph 2. First paragraph, my lord. The case of the petitioner that her son, Vishal Sharma, lost his life due to electrocution when exposed to live electricity, were hanging between the pole at the height of 3 to 4 feet from the ground.
Okay.
My lords. Then, my lord, next case, my lord. The Honorable
Here, what
Apex
is the,
Court.
what is the judgment, order passed?
Yes, here is also compensation awarded, my lord.
What is the compensation?
Yes, last page, my lord. 35 paragraph. The writ petition is therefore allowed and respondents are directed to pay to the petitioner a sum of rupees 10 lakhs within a period of 2 months, starting today, that is 1/2023 is the
Then-
addition, my lord.
Then any other case?
Yes. Next, my lord, the Honorable Appeals Court decision, my lord. Raman versus Uttar Haryana Bijli Vitaranya Nigam, Bijli Vitaranya Nigam. My lord,
Here
here,
what happened?
yes, my lord, the case, lordship may kindly see, my lord, the paragraph 9. 3, my lord, first of paragraph 3, my lords. Paragraph 3, second page, my lord. The brief facts of the state hearing. The appellant is a 4-year-old boy, was electrocution on 3/11/2011 by coming in the direct
Okay.
contact with, yes, my lord.
What is the last order?
Yes, my lord. Then this honorable court also been decided many cases, my lord. There
30
are
lakhs.
2013 supplementary 1 OLR 405. Then, my lord, the 2015 supplementary 2 OLR page 803. Then, my
Similar.
lord, 2015.
Similar.
Similar, my lord, lordship, my lord,
Same.
similar decided issue where the honorable high court was, this honorable high court decided the issue, my lord. So far the compensation is concerned, electrocution. my lord.
Okay,
Yes.
then
Then, my lord, the another case 2014 supplementary 1 OLR 506. Then lastly, my lord, I have cited the Honorable Appeals Court, where is the releasing the Consumer Protection Act. My lord, where the compensation was not been awarded, then dismissed, then again go to High Court, then Supreme Court, my lord. Then Supreme Court remanded back to the authority, again face adjudication, my lord. That's the last portion. So all
what
the
do you say,
decisions I have cited.
state. I understand. What is your response to this? You give him a copy. Give him a
Yes,
set
Minister.
of copy.
I have give the citations, my lord.
Conjuice gudaga copy to the
In course of day, I'll give, my lord. No, a party is not necessary, my lord.
Oh,
State is not necessary party. No,
nahi.
no.
Kaha party karche?
No, state party nahi koi begin.
Right, okay.
No, he's right.
No, more state party करनी है.
Yes, Sesu ko party karche.
Yes,
Which
yes, yes,
Sesu?
yes. They have also filed counter, my lord. She's last.
Sesu.
Yes.
Sesu.
Sir, my lord, in that time, Lord Council became appeared, filed counter, is expired on.
Coming in contact with your high tension line.
No, my lord.
Yeah.
My lord, my Facebook letter is filed.
You filed it face wakala. My question is, he has come in contact with the high tension line.
My lord.
Uh-huh. Then you have to pay.
I live in that.
ଏତେ ଲୋକ ଲୁଟି ଲୁଟି ନଉଛନ୍ତି ତ ବିଲ୍ ରେ ଯେତେ ଦରକାର ତାଠୁ ଅଧିକ ଦେଲା ବେଳକୁ କାହିଁ ଦେବେନି ମ
No, my lord, next week.
କେତେ ବଡ ବଡ ଲୋକ
Take it over next week, my lord.
ଚାରି ଆଜି ତ ପେପରରେ ପଢୁଛି 4-5,000 crore rupees ଏମିତି
Facebook letter is filed. My lord,
ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଦେଲା ବେଳେ ଦେବେ ନା ଆଉ କେତେ ପଇସା ଇନକମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଟିକେ
I
ଦେବେ
got one next time, my lord. So, yeah. Grant one.
instruction ନେଇକି ଆସିଥିବେ
Sir.
I'll pass order
No, sir, got one next time.
compensation ଦେବି ହେଲା
Sir, grant one next
After
time.
tomorrow,
take instruction
day after tomorrow, surgery.
Day after tomorrow, grant one, my lord.
It counter, they have
Sir,
already
file,
filed
sir.
counter.
You file the counter na
Sir,
Already they have, lordship may
file
kindly see.
sir, assi
Since,
nahi.
no, file.
counter କଣ ଲେଖୁଛି
Yes, my lord. There's
File
this-
ko pake
Lord,
assi nahi.
I have received on 22/11/2019,
Okay,
they have already
okay,
filed counter.
Sir, after demise of a weekend, my lord. File is
weekend
return, my lord, department.
I say instruction
Department
खाली नहीं,
file-
day after tomorrow.
Only file booklet. No.
okay ଏଠି ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ
My lord.
not here
My lord.
ଏଠି କି ଫାଇଲ କରିବେନି
No, my
this is not a place this is the matter on 14 ଆସୁ
My lord.
ହେଲା 14
2 p.m. fixed.
14 2 p.m. ନାଇଁ 2 p.m. ସବୁ କଣ ଏ ଆସିବ ନା
No, thousand surgery and all last
ଆରେ ସରିଯିବ
fix ହେଇଥାଉ my lord. Humbly
Okay,
pray.
14 at the top of the board like this.
Top of the.
As fast here କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଆସିବ ତ
ସେଇଟା ଟିକେ mention ଥାଉ ଖାଲି top of the list. Top of the ଥିଲେ ଟିକେ ସୁବିଧା ହୁଏ। Lordship,
ଆରେ it will come, don't worry.
If lordship.
Item 21.
Grateful, my lords.
All the judgment yes
Item
compensation pay judgment not to it. Yes, next.
well,
Item 21.
20 milligrams grant some time to more time to file the regentum.
You prepare a note also, Mr. Patnaik. Prepare a note.
Yes, my lord. Dead chat with-
Analyzing all the no, dead chat is not.
Short note.
Analyzing all the judgment.
My lords.
Facts.
Yes.
Put a column of facts, short facts.
Yes.
3-4 sentences. Apre what is that? Final. What? Just sir, first, one page.
Yes.
Great. Next.
21.
My lord, may grant some more time to file the rejoinder, my lord.
Why, bhai?
Ajay, last chance, my lord.
Rejoinder पे इतने time क्या नहीं होती?
But actually, the applicant petitioner is ill, my lord. He cannot come over to the chamber. Ajay, last chance, my lord.
The last of the petition is granted. 1 week time to file the rejoinder. This matter. 21st September. Next.
Item 24.
24. What is this matter?
On the behalf of Mr. Mahapatra, pray the next.
अरे यार क्या बना रखे हो आप लोग यार? Every day on behalf of so and so, I want time. I on behalf of so and so, I want time. What is this going on here? I'll hear the matter, whether you like it or don't like.
Old matter, man.
Old matter, I don't care, old or new.
Lordship may kindly.
Every day I'm saying, please don't ask for so many adjournment. What is this old matter? Therefore, it should be done. It's not there. Let go. Non-appeal for the petitioner. I dismiss. I need to argue dismiss. Too much. What is this? Pass over available nahi. Sei suvida nahi. Pass paper karibi na jaan.
Another court.
Another court mo ko karibi. Mo court I have control over my court.
Your Lordship. Let me say take up. So my Part B, IA number 11742 of 2023 for amendment. Amendment petition, Miller. Because they have annexed one document cancelling my license. I have filed petition for renew my license. They have filed a document in their counter cancelling my license, which was not served on me. I came to know from this counter. That's why this amendment is necessitated.
So amended?
No, he want to amend the.
I have filed this IA for amendment. But that can be allowed.
You have filed already?
I have filed the amendment petition, Miller. Unless your Lordship allowed, Miller, thereafter I will file.
I number kete?
IA number 11742 at flag B.
Lord calls for the petitioner file IA number 11742 seeking amendment of
the writ petition, Miller.
Consular petition filed. File the consolidated one.
I'll consult.
This matter on 21st September.
Okay.
Next.
27.
Lord's kind permission, my lord. I am for the petitioner. The sole question my lord was putting by order dated 11/5/2023, where the petitioner how much shareholding is holding. Because my lord, the prayer is made to my lord, the State Bank should release the petitioner from the personal guarantee, where the already company has substituted by later.
Who is for the State Bank?
And as to my lord, kindly see my rejoinder.
Who is appearing for the State Bank?
Mr. Sadangi was appearing. One document.
Indian Overseas and two banks are there.
Indian Overseas Bank, my lord, by Lord's direction, they have relinquished. They have, my lord, released my bank guarantee.
Yes, Mr. Sadangi, you do the same thing. Indian Overseas Bank has already done it.
And
they have accepted, but consideration in our case is different. But he admits that in view of his position.
Your voice is muted. Mr. Sadangi, your voice is muted. Please unmute.
That is the problem. His security.
Why are you touching it again? Don't touch it. Leave it like that. Your voice is not coming. Don't touch it.
Suitable person have been substituted.
Now, Malad, I am audible. Malad.
Yes.
Yes, Malad. There, the bank, considering his guarantee, provided the loan. But after the loan is disbursed, now he wants to withdraw from guarantee, giving another person. But the bank is not accepting that because the bank says his guarantee is not worth of this man's guarantee. But bank has a consideration the security of refund of the money is necessary. But the person stood as a guarantor, subsequently blamed the company and wants to withdraw. But that is illegal. But still he is holding share in the
with the bank,
one
in
thing,
the
see,
company.
it is between bank and you. The court is hardly
My lord, kindly.
positioned
My
to do
lord,
anything.
My lord, kindly see the
Because
document.
if the bank
Yes.
is not interested.
No, my lord, bank is doing wrong thing.
If bank is not interested to take another guarantee, I mean, they're substituting the another guarantor. What
My lord,
can I do?
already
I
this,
can't do anything.
before this honorable court, they have already, my lord, admitted that we are going within a month.
No, the
And-
admitted and not admitted, not the question. The counsel himself is saying that they are not,
they
it is not acceptable to them.
They are, my lord, they are, kindly see the my lord letter. Kindly see the letter. My lord, the substitution already made, kindly see second para of the letter, which is the company has written to the bank as a separate reminder. I have filed my additional affidavit page 8.
This is which letter?
They are the company.
Open
But
the
the bank,
file.
where is the bank has agreed?
No, the bank is not agreeing. That is why my grievance.
The bank, I can make the bank agree, sir.
My lord,
It
kindly
is the
see.
bank to decide whether they have to accept it or not. How can
But
the
in
court
this-
will say,
but
company,
in
no,
this
you take this man as a guarantee.
My lord,
How
in
can
this
this proceed?
process, my constitutional right because the
Your
bank.
constitutional right is in case of bank that goes, sir. That's something different right. That is statutory right, not constitutional right. अगर statutory right का ये करो आपण बैंक रे पैसा ले बैंक को देबे नहीं आउ से तापर guarantor change करिवे से बैंक where is your constitutional
Guarantor
right?
change paying already they are
If the bank is
substituted.
not accepting it, that I can't help.
Let
You have to request the bank.
Yes.
If bank bill is agreeable, I don't have any issue. I always say in banking matter, I am just a Mia Bibi. You are the Mia Bibi. I am the only Kaji. Kaji has no role. Kaji can't say you marry.
Let them come the record.
କାହିଁକି ସେମାନେ ଦେବେ ଆପଣ କାହିଁକି ବାଧ୍ୟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ହିସାବରେ କରିବେ if they are agreeable
I am satisfied lordship judgment.
Supreme Court judgment
ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେମାନେ they are doing wrongdoing.
matter ରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ବହୁତ ସମୟରେ Supreme Court judgment କାମ ଦିଏ ନାହିଁ
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି
banking local
Yes.
circumstances ସେଇ particular case ର facts ଏ ସବୁ ଦେଖାଯାଏ ଖାଲି ଯାହା ହେଲେ Supreme Court judgment କଣ help କରିବ ମୁଁ ତ ମାନିବିନି
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ସେଇଟା
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କହିବ ଆମେ ମାନିବୁନି Supreme Court ଯା ତୁ କେତେ ଥର ଆଣିକି ଯା ଆଣ
ସେଇଥି
You are saying, no, I will substitute another guarantor with Y, right? Y is another guarantor. If the Y guarantor is not as good as A, then in that case, what
ସେଇଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ affidavit ଦେଇଛି ତାଠୁ ଅଧିକ percentage ଲୋକ already substitute ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ଆଜି ଯଦି NPA ହେଇଯିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ କୁଆଡେ ଯିବି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଏଣ୍ଟରପ୍ରେନର ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିଛି ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଲରେଡି ମାନିକି ଦେଇ ସାରିଲାଣି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅର୍ଡର ମାନିକି ଏ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କାହିଁକି ମାନୁନି let them file affidavit. They are doing my wrongdoing. They are unconstitutional. They are bent upon that I will not leave the person. Kali NPA ହେଇଯିବ my lord I where I will go.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେ ଆର ଲୋକଟା ଆପଣ କଣ
ବହୁତ ଅଧିକ ଆଜ୍ଞା ବହୁତ ଅଧିକ shareholding.
ଆର ଲୋକର ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ଅଛି ମିଷ୍ଟର ଷଡଙ୍ଗୀ?
ସମିଧା ମହାପାତ୍ର
sufficient ହଉନାହିଁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ
ଆପଣ କେତେ sufficient କେତେ ହେଲେ sufficient ହବ?
ସେ ରାଜି ହେବେ
bank has a committee my lord. Bank has a committee. Committee has taken up the matter and they have rejected. They have rejected that.
Rejected on what ground, sir?
The ground is not acceptable because this guarantee, but they suspect many things.
Let them file affidavit.
Provided the guarantee.
Mr. Sarangi, can you file an affidavit?
Yes.
Along with that particular bank, the committee order?
To my affidavit, they should file affidavit.
File an affidavit.
I have already my counter have stated.
No.
My counter I have already stated.
Can you just file a short affidavit stating that these are the reasons why this man is not acceptable?
That is why my lord was putting a question.
So that you just
file affidavit whether the
Sir,
shareholder 3%.
I am explaining, my lord, that I have already
3%. I have already 5%. They are doing my lord. They are unnecessary.
But bank, my lord will accept. Bank has a discretion as a lending concern, but they must consider that the amount they will get back.
That I am not saying, sir. So when you are that other person, on what, that's what I want to know. If a person is substituted, if the other person has the same credit worthiness, I would repeat credit worthiness. If the person has the same credit worthiness, so is there any difficulty?
But had it been from the very beginning, then the matter would have been different.
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ
But
ସେମିତି କେବେ
after
କରନ୍ତି ନା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍
disbursement,
କରିଛନ୍ତି?
madam, here question is, after disbursement of the
ମୋ
loan,
କଥାଟା
the
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ.
person
Are you
or
doing it for the first time in your lifetime as a banker or bank ମାନେ ଏମିତି କରିଛନ୍ତି ନା ଏଇଟା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ନା ଆଗରୁ ବି ହେଇଛି ସେମିତି?
କଣ ଆଗରୁ ହେଇଛ ମୁଁ ତ ନିଜେ
ନା ନା ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କେବେ କରିନି ଏମିତି ସବଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ ନା ଏଟା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଏଇ କେସଟା ଆସିଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ?
ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟା କେମିତି କହିବେ?
ନାଇଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ମୁଁ, ଆପଣ କହିବେ ନା ଆଉ କେମିତି କହିବେ ନା? ଆପଣ କହିବେ କେତେ ଏମିତି କେସରେ ଏଟା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଆସିବ?
ନାଇଁ କନସିଡରେସନ କେତେ?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ. You do one thing.
ନାଇଁ
In
ଗୋଟେ କାମ,
public-
one thing I can do. We might observe this will be placed before a higher committee for consideration.
ତ ମୁଁ କାହିଁ କହିବି ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କରିକି
କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସବଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
It will be placed before
ମୁଁ
another
ରିଜାଇନ୍
committee,
କରିସାରିଲେଣି କାଲି
a
ଏମପି
higher
ହବ
one for consideration.
ଜଷ୍ଟ ମୁଁ
That will be better idea.
ଚାହୁଁଛି ଏଇ ଲୋକର କ୍ରେଡିଟ ଅର୍ଡିନାନ୍ସ ରେ କଣ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେଲା?
Samida Mahapatra and another two persons have been more than my value. I have felt the affidavit.
If they have a sufficient credit worthiness, they can meet the exigency
Yes.
for
Their
which
consideration is this. A person while holding share, he made certain allegations against the company and saying that he has withdrawn everything and now who wants to withdraw his guarantee. But subsequent on verification it was found, no, he still holds his share in the company. And that is,
But I have relinquished. They are
that is
returned my
suspicious
once
circumstance.
bank will release me. My lord, I have resigned from the company. They have substituted. What authority bank to hold and sitting over the matter? And they are also giving more value than me. And it is not just sitting over the matter and then they have
All
described
his
their-
people, let him apply. But that will be placed before the higher committee and the committee decision will be provided.
Your monopoly will work on one bank has already given and my lord, they are sitting and already they have given much more sufficient person. Yes. Let them file affidavit. My lord.
in the you are for the other
Option number 5 and 6.
Indian
ଯାହା ଯୋଉ କମ୍ପାନୀରେ ମୁଁ ରିଜାଇନ୍ କରିଦେଇଛି ଏବଂ ସେଇ କମ୍ପାନୀ ମତେ କହିଛନ୍ତି
company ଆପଣଙ୍କ କିଛି share ନାହିଁ?
ନା ମୋ 3% ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା 21 ଜଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି.
No, you don't have any share.
3.86.
3.86
That is also share.
ହଁ.
How can you say ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି କାହିଁ?
ନାଇଁ ଅଛି and
ଅଛି କଣ 3% share
3%
କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
share
ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି କାହିଁ କହୁଛ?
3% share 21 crore ରୁ 3% ହେଲା ବାକି substitute
But the share is there. That you
well,
can't.
let them file affidavit. The officers should file affidavit with regard to my additional affidavit because my lord was putting question 11/5/2023 that
Let's
yes.
try to solve the problem. Mr. Sadangi, which bank is this? This is which bank?
SBI. That is why branch my lord
No, this is commercial branch.
commercial branch Bhubaneswar.
Commercial branch.
Can your this branch manager appear through VC tomorrow at 2 p.m.? Just I want to solve the problem. If it can be solved, it can be solved.
Great.
But this branch cannot solve because the matter is to be decided by the credit committee. But it's a separate committees have been formed.
So who will decide then? Let your branch manager say that. Let your branch manager say.
Assistant general manager in charge, he is to place the matter before the committee.
Okay, first let me talk to your branch manager. Then
That's a commercial branch directly under the corporate center.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏତେ ସବୁ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏତେ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଜଣା ଅଛି ମତେ ଆପଣ କିଏ କାହାର ଅଣ୍ଡରରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମତେ ବତାନ୍ତୁନି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
I want to solve the problem କାହାକୁ ଡାକିଲେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସଲ୍ଭ ସେଟା କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କିଏ କାହା ଅଣ୍ଡରରେ ଅଛି ମତେ ବତାନ୍ତୁ
ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଜେନେରାଲ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର କୁ ଡାକନ୍ତୁ
ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଜେନେରାଲ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର କୋଉଠି
ମିଷ୍ଟର ଏନ୍ ମହାପାତ୍ର
ମିଷ୍ଟର ଏନ୍ ମହାପାତ୍ର AGM
ଏନ୍ ମହାପାତ୍ର
ଏନ୍ ମହାପାତ୍ର AGM କୋଉଠି
କମର୍ସିଆଲ ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ
Commercial branch Bhubaneswar be present through VC at 2 p.m. tomorrow.
Not tomorrow, my lord. I have to convey.
ଆପଣ କନଭେ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଏଠି ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର କନଭେ କରିବା କଣ ଯାଇ ପାଦରେ ଚାଲି ଚାଲି ଯିବେ ନା କଣ nothing doing tomorrow 2 p.m. କନଭେ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଏତେ କଣ ସମୟ ଲାଗେ
tomorrow 2 p.m.
2 p.m. yes
Lord, they have stated they are likely to take it.
Lord, let's see now.
My lord, grateful, obliged.
Will you also get enlightened from his wisdom, na? Please take it. Okay, next.
2
2 p.m.
PM,
sir.
my lord.
Yes, 2 p.m.
28,
If you can come at 12 p.m. 12:30 also, that's no problem. Whatever suits him.
Lord,
2
I'll call.
At 2 p.m. is better. Better. 2 p.m. Okay. Next. Next.
28,
My lords, the petitioner is a GRS. My lords, petitioner was working as a GRS. My lords, he was disengaged with the allegation of violation of Model Code of Conduct. Allegation ro saransh hela 13/1/2022 re before to Gram Panchayat election, 7 to 8 persons gathered beyond office hour, and GRS was present. GRS in his show cause stated that the meeting was non-political. That was relating to NRGS payment. My lords, inquiry was conducted. On the allegation, inquiry was conducted. 3 authorities conducted the inquiry. Inquiry report finds that the meeting was non-political. My lords, thereafter, ignoring that report, the collector disengaged the GRS. My lords, the petitioner came to this honorable court. My lords, this honorable court remanded the matter that the report may be considered properly. My lord,
Remanded matter to
again to the collector, my lord. My lords, again collector, after remand, my lords, collector again sought for an report from the BDO. Earlier BDO was one of the authority in the inquiry. My lords, BDO report, your lordships may kindly see at annexure 11, annexure 11, page 42. My lords, he clearly stated that, your lordships may relevant portion is page 43. In conclusion, it can be said that evidence against Purushottam Barik, ex-GRS, is inconclusive and insufficient. The punishment against Sri Barik, who has been terminated from service, by letter number.
Okay. So after that, what? After this.
My lords, after that, my lords, that order was challenged.
Who challenged? He challenged.
No.
Who?
The petitioner. My lords, ignoring this report also, the collector again confirms the disengagement.
No, I'm saying you have challenged. Who has challenged this order?
Na ए order टाकू challenge करिनु आमु rely करूची rather जे तांकोरी authority देइचंती
तो ये challenge अपना part
ना ये report को ignore करिकी again collector confirms the earlier disengagement.
Okay. So you are the new appointee.
He is the intervener. My lords, I beg apology.
After your departure, he can.
My lords.
He is holding.
No. He is no way connected with me.
So why is he?
He is a anti-social, my lord. My lords, in there are several criminal cases.
Is disallowed.
Not personal grudge.
Your
lordship allowed my intervention petition in earlier dates.
Allowed?
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Allowed my intervention petition, and your lordship has also.
My lords, government has filed proper counter, my lords.
Anyway.
That there is a report of the report of the Tahsildar.
Sir, सुनतु आपनका निजे ऑफिशियल कहिछि जे से लोकर अगेंस्ट किछि नाही
Tahsildar कहिछि no.
That is small issue. Why is
No, it is not a small issue, Miller.
ଆପଣ
At the-
ଆପଣଙ୍କ
And thereafter
DDC
your
ବେଶୀ
lordship,
ହେଲା?
thereafter your lordship,
You are, who are you?
Election Commission.
election commission.
Actually, pursuant to the complaint made by.
Support the case, Your Lordship, I am standing here.
You support who's?
No, your lordship, and the earlier date has cooperated.
So as per the report, he was
No,
not.
there is another report, my lord. He is suppressing that report.
କେତେଟା report ଦେଲେ? ଗୋଟେ ପରେ ଗୋଟେ report ଦେଇ ଚାଲିଥିବେ ଆଉ
No. On the very same date, Tahsildar has submitted a report. Both the reports were considered by the collector.
Same date.
And after considering the report, he is not producing before your lordship the Tahsildar report, my
Where is
lord.
that report?
That is annexure F of my
That is same day.
page 40.
On the same day ହେଇଥିଲା.
On
No, my
that is on 21, 2022. Tahsildar submitted this report.
କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
That
And
in
is
my,
that your lordship?
in my
and
intervention
Page
petition.
17 of my counter.
That is in the available in the counter of the government.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ସମସ୍ତେ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣି
sorry.
ପାରିବିନି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଆଜ୍ଞା.
Let
I'm
me-
sorry.
let me go.
Lord, what has happened, Miller? The video has.
Page 17 କୋଉଟା?
Page
କୋଉ-
7. The
କୋଉ-
ଯୋଉଟା ଆରମ୍ଭ ହଉଛି the ତହସିଲଦାର
ଆରେ flag ଟା କୁହ ନା.
କେତେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର
Counter of
page ଟା
state.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
Like that.
Lord,
He read na, read.
Yes,
I
because
understand.
Tahsildar Chandwali has submitted his inquiry report by letter number so and so on 21/22, from which it is revealed that few people gathered at Gopinathpur GP office and they were wearing scarves branded with the symbol of a political party. Further, he has reported that from the viral video clips found in social media, it was ascertained that Sri Purushottam Barik GRS was present at the GP office Gopinathpur, where the meeting was conducted. It is further learned from the report of the video Chandbali that the brother of the petitioner was prospective candidate for the post of Sarpanch in the same GP.
Oh.
And therefore, the plea taken by the petitioner that he was holding the meeting at 8 p.m. in the GP office for government work in absence of Sarpanch and Panchayat Executive Officer of GP seems
What is your answer to this? Sir?
far from true.
This is
What is
the
your answer to
fact
this?
finding authority.
My lords,
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ୟାର answer କଣ କହନ୍ତୁ?
No.
ଏଇଟା କହନ୍ତୁ ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା fake report ତ ନୁହେଁ?
କୋଉଟା fake
ନା,
report? ନା,
fake report?
my lords, this report
Fake
was,
report?
ନା, ଏଇଟା ପ୍ରଥମେ ଗୋଟେ 19/1/2022 ରେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ହେଲା।
ସେ report ଟା report ନୁହେଁ?
ନା, 19/1/2022 ରେ ଗୋଟେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ହେଲା।
Report I am asking, this report you want,
ଏ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମତେ କପି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି।
ସେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ copy ନଦେଲେ report ହେଲେ
ନା, ହିୟରିଂ ରେ ମୁଁ ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ କରିଥିଲି, ମତେ କପି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି। ପ୍ଲସ୍ ସିଏ ଯୋଉ ତହସିଲଦାର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଟାକୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ସେ ତହସିଲଦାର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଡଜ ନଟ୍ ବିୟର ଏନି ଅଫିସିଆଲ ରେଫରେନ୍ସ। ତାର ଲେଟର କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ଲେଟର ନମ୍ବର ନାହିଁ।
letter number 294 ଅଛି,
ନା, ନା,
dated ଅଛି
your lordship may
21
kindly see.
2022 ଅଛି, କଣ ନାହିଁ କେମିତି?
ସେଟା ଇଏ
ଆପଣ ମାନିଲେ କି ନ ମାନିଲେ କଣ ହବ?
ନା ନା ସେଟା ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଅଫିସର ଜଣେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। ସିଏ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଏତେ କଥା ମୋର ଶୁଣିବାର ନାହିଁ।
21
ସିଧା ତହସିଲଦାର report କୁ ଆପଣ ଆସନ୍ତୁ। And what is your answer?
ତହସିଲଦାର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଇଜ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡସ୍ ନନ୍ ଏକ୍ସିଷ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା।
I have averred in my writ petition।
ଆପଣ ରେକର୍ଡ କରିଦେଲେ ହେଇଗଲା?
ନା ନା
ହେଇଗଲା?
ତହସିଲଦାର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଟା 21/1/2022 ରେ।
So what?
Thereafter my lords,
Date of incident କେତେ ହେଇଥିଲା?
date of incident 13/1।
13 ତାପରେ immediately
19 my lords, there is a 3 reports। 3 reports 19/1
ତାର 3 report ଗସାକୁ କାଢିବି? ଗରିଷ୍ଠ ସାଧାରଣ ଗୁଣିତ
No, my lords,
ଗୁଣିତ କାଢିବି? ଯୋଉଟା
ରେ ଗୋଟେ 3 ଜଣିଆ ଅଥରିଟି ଦେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ। ତାପରେ ଏ 21/1/2022 ରେ ଯୋଉ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଟା ତହସିଲଦାର ଦେଇଥିଲେ ବୋଲି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏତେ ଗପ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ସମୟ ନାହିଁ ନା ମୋ ପାଖରେ ପେସେନ୍ସ ଅଛି। ଏଇ 3ଟା ରିପୋର୍ଟ ରେ କୋଉ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି?
ସେ 21/1/2022 ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଟା ସେଇଟା
ମେନ୍ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ଫାଇଣ୍ଡିଂ ରିପୋର୍ଟ
ନା ସେଇଟା ମେନ୍ ନୁହଁ।
କେମିତି ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ
19/1/2022 ଟା ମେନ୍।
19 ଏଟା 20 ତାରିଖ ଦେଲା 19 ରେ ଗୋଟେ କୋଉଠି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆଇଲା?
ତାପରେ ସବସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟଲି ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡସ୍ 24
କାଇଁ 19 ରିପୋର୍ଟ କାଇଁ?
annexure 4 annexure 4 page 23
ଏଟା କିଏ ଦେଲା ଏଟା?
ସେଟା ବିଡିଓ ଜେଇ ଆଉ ଜଣେ 3 ଜଣ ଅଥରିଟି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଜଏଣ୍ଟ ଏନକ୍ୱାରି ରିପୋର୍ଟ।
ଏମାନେ କଣ କହିଲେ?
ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡସ୍ ସେମ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗ ଦେ କନକ୍ଲୁସିଭ କିଛି ଫାଇଣ୍ଡିଂ ଆସୁନି, ଦ ମିଟିଂ ୱାଜ ପଲିଟିକାଲ।
ତାପରେ ଥାର୍ଡ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଖିଲି,
ଥାର୍ଡ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଯୋଉଟା ଲାଷ୍ଟ ରେ ସେ ବିଡିଓ ଦେଲେ, ये जो 21
ए 3 जणिया रिपोर्ट वाला किछि माने पाइले
No, last para if lordship will say.
जस्ट गोटे मिनिट
आज्ञा
आपण तीनटा रिपोर्ट हला तीनटा रिपोर्ट रे दुईटा रिपोर्ट तांको फेवर रे गोटे रिपोर्ट आपण तहसीलदार दे देला से रिपोर्ट को आपण नै डिसाइड करबे ना लार्जर लोकर रिपोर्ट नेबे
Yes, your lordship is right.
कोर्ट रे जंती 3 जणिया बेंच 3 जण जज डिसाइड करते ताको जंती जते प्राइमेसी दियंती सिंगल जज रो प्राइमेसी दियंती
नहीं
सेमती रिपोर्ट तहसीलदार ते दउची आ एरा तीनटा सब्सटेंशियली 3 जण
वीडियो साइन मारिछि
वीडियो साइन मारिछि
3 जण
से कहउछन 3 जण जाइथिले इंक्वायरी करिया पे
जॉइंट इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट रिगार्ड
के करथिले
लॉर्ड
ब्लॉक लेवल माय लॉर्ड जण ब्लॉक लेवल ऑफिसर एई एंड वीडियो 3 जण
आपण से रिपोर्ट को मानिबेनी जैसे तहसीलदार गोटे स्टैंडर्ड रिपोर्ट देला से स्टैंडर्ड रिपोर्ट धरि हम एक्शन नहीं
से
no the report
Each
finding
report को consider करते
let us see what is the finding of that report lord
ये रिपोर्ट का finding है
so lord say kindly आज last part I'm just to summarize lord that finding lord as the GRS Purushottam Barick's brother is a prospective sarpanch candidate and he is working in his home GP his native village
no ता पूर्व लाइन पढो नाती
therefore all allegations against video
against
and Chandwali that he is promoting violation of model code of conduct is fabricated and baseless so it's a video man he is the GRS here
He is the GRS.
he is the GRS so here the accusation is against video ki video is also allowing these persons to hold meeting political meeting inside the premise of the panchayat office
my
Now,
lord
that was inquiry
finding ta my lord first paragraph finding ta first paragraph रे अछि
सर टिके आपन को एफिडेविट आपन जो ऑर्डर टा करथिले गोटे एफिडेविट फाइल करिया पई and on that basis I have filed an affidavit and he is directly related to the political party
तो रिपोर्ट ता कोन जार केस ने बेसी थे सने बेसी पार्टी करन तो चुपचाप
आपन को ऑर्डर अनुसार हम
मु पढे त कम ये वीडियो देखाई जी वीडियो रे कौन सी पॉलिटिकल सिंबल ए करा है
आज्ञा
कौन सी पॉलिटिकल सिंबल जो आपण जो ये करा है
पतका
किछि नाही वीडियो रे आज जदी करा है त वीडियो रे आछला ना वीडियो तो हेतला ना से जगह तो वीडियो होतला रिकॉर्ड होतला no political symbols in the videos and it cannot be ascertained whether the meeting was political in nature. The GRS Sri Purushottam Barick has submitted a written reply that the meeting was not political. Written reply ko chhad diya. Secondly, regarding the photo enclosed in the petition, neither GRS nor the PU is present in the photograph. The room appeared to be some government building, but whether the GP office or not could not be ascertained. The Sarpanch representative and the several other persons appear in the photograph along with scarf branded with party symbol. The photograph appears to be a political meeting. The date and time of the photograph ko jagar photograph tar kichi jana nahi hala. Next, 17th January 2000, the opening of the nomination at around 11 AM, one complaint was received by the undersigned. ये तो जनरल से जो या ऊपर है जो तावर
होर्डिंग लगई थले
पंचायत ऑफिस रे ऊपर है any simple incident why don't you condemn once and just give him a warning and just leave it like that
only on the complaint
अरे किछि नहीं पॉलिटिकल एटा ऐसा
state election commission will
सर आपन को ऑर्डर अनुसार जो एफिडेविट फाइल हेत
कोडा की फाइल अछि
your lordship directed
who filed
on 21/7/2000
who filed it
that is an that
ये फाइल करछि आज्ञा
intervener
इंटरवेनर को म सुनु नहीं आज्ञा
सर एफिडेविट सर
इंटरवेनर खाली अलाउ करता डजन भी आपण सुनुछु
नहीं आपण आ गोट कहिथिले
आपण पसंद आपण
he is now
आपण पसंद
sir he is now the vice president of the BJP
नहीं आपण पसंद फर्स्ट पसंद
party your lordship
सुनिबि ना आपण न बसले पसंद आगो इंटरवेनर पछ कथा मु आगो मेन पार्टी सुनिबि ना इंटरवेनर आगो देखबि पसंद आपण पसंद
In the meantime, what has happened? He has been appointed as vice president of Biju Youth Janata Dal.
So therefore, the political angle cannot be discarded. That's what I am saying.
Political aspiration
and your lordship's direction was that to file the affidavit.
You file an affidavit.
Sir, affidavit we have filed according to your lordship's direction.
My lord, sir, I am filing an reply to that affidavit. पुरुषोत्तम बारिक ना रे की जणो को
सुनो ये जो यूथ लीडर जो बनी छथि तार तो अपॉइंटमेंट हेतु ना
हां से
हेतु सेटा हम देइछु सर सेटा हम एफिडेविट
आज्ञा एबे
कोन ऑर्डर हम
देन
देव
My lord, ତା reply ଟା ମୁଁ
ନାଇଁ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଫିପ୍ଲାଏ କେତେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ୟାର ଏତିକି ପରେ ଆଉ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ମୁଁ କଣ ଦେଖିବି?
The petitioner's name is my lord.
And your lordship's observation on that date, if it is true, then we will not.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଠି କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଏଟା? ଏଟା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଭାଇସ୍ ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେ
Vice
ଚାନ୍ଦବାଲି
President,
ବ୍ଲକ ର
Chandwali block.
ମୋବାଇଲ ନମ୍ବର
ନା ନା ଚାନ୍ଦବାଲି ବ୍ଲକ ର ଯେ ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଯିଏ ଯାହା କରନ୍ତୁନି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ପୁରୁଷୋତ୍ତମ ବାରିକ କି ନାଇଁ
ପୁରୁଷୋତ୍ତମ ବାରିକ ମୋର କିଛି କନସେଣ୍ଟ ନେଇ ନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଲେଖିକି ଦେଇଛି
ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ନା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଲେଖିକି ଦେଇଛି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଫାଇଲ
ଆଉ କି ଶୁଣିବିନି
ମୁଁ ସେଟା ଏବେ ହେଇଛି ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ସେ ଏବେ ହେଇଛି ମୁଁ ସେତେବେଳେ କା ସମୟ
ଏବେ କେବେ ଆଉ ଆପଣ କେସ ଶୁଣିବି ନାହିଁ ପଲିଟିକାଲ ମ୍ୟାନ ଆପଣଙ୍କ
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ପଲିଟିକାଲ ପୋଷ୍ଟ କିଛି ହୋଲ୍ଡ କରୁ
ଇଟ କଲମିନେଟ୍ସ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ କଲମିନେଟ करे ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟିଜ ଫାଇନାଲି ଏଠିକି ପହଞ୍ଚିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଆଉ କଣଟା ଶୁଣିବି
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା କିଛି ହୋଲ୍ଡ କରୁନି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦଉଛି ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୋ ସେଇ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଟା କନସିଡର ହଉ
ସବୁ କନସିଡର କରିବି
ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଟା
ଅର୍ଡର ରିଜର୍ଭ
ଅଛି ସେଟା
ସବୁ ପେପର ଦେ ଅର୍ଡର ରିଜର୍ଭ
29.
29, my lord. Lordship already had this matter and today fixed for filing written notes, my lord.
Okay. And please file
That NGO matter, my lord.
Next.
Item 30.
And I have also submitted my.
Lordship, in item 29, there are two submitter.
My lord, second submitter, my appearance, my lord, we have adopting first. My learned friend is filing this.
And
because one affidavit, counter affidavit, according to.
You are traveling together.
Similar matter.
Similar matter, both items are
selling and sinking together.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
My name may have different and that is adopted, my lord. Therefore, we are not.
Okay,
In first matter, I am there. Manoj Kumar Potti, madam. Second item.
Yes, next.
in both the cases.
Next.
Item 30.
I am for the opposite pattern and I pray for adjournment. Let it take up any day.
Payment of 1,000 rupees.
My lord, they have to file a rejoinder that is not filed yet. As per the previous direction, my lord is directed to get some instruction by the party. So I need some time. In any day of first week of September.
Petitioner.
Opposite party. Opposite
Petitioner ki?
Man.
You are asking for time?
No.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please, sir. आज adjournment मांगो
just instructions needed. That is why.
What instruction? You are for whom?
I am for the ICICI Bank opposite.
What instruction?
In this matter, the builder is died, and the
in this matter, what happened?
The builder, who is the borrower, along with the
builder is the borrower.
Petitioner and one builder that is opposite party number.
He's not. He's very confused. Who is the senior? Who is your senior?
My lord, NK Das, Nadine Kantadas.
Let it senior come. He's very confused. He can't assist properly. So how did that?
Any day first week, 8th of September.
12. Get your senior, okay? You are not convergent with the facts of the case.
That some instructions required. As per the direction of.
You take the instruction now within that time. Yes. Next.
32.
32.
May I please?
Last
I am for the opposite party bank.
Last occasion, lordship directed to obtain instruction and opposite party number 3, 4, and 5 enter appearance to their council. There are 6 to 7 fixed deposit pending before the bank, my lord. And
opposite party 3, 4, 5. You added them that party?
Yes. I added. They have already appeared, my lord.
Yes.
But in the read petition, the petitioner has not given any detail of the fixed deposits. That is with the bank.
So you give them detail now. Otherwise, the
Yes,
bank.
my lord, in annex
You are for the
side-
bank.
Annex.
I am for the bank, my lord, on BC.
Who is for the bank?
I am for the bank, my lord, on BC. Asutosh Ponda.
And you are for the?
Opposite party number 2.
Okay. So No, yes, argue.
My lord, petitioner's husband has been expired by corona, my lord. After 13 days, only son who has been expired in the corona, my lord. I am the petitioner, wife of the deceased and son of the deceased. There is 7 to 8 numbers of fixed deposit before the bank, opposite party number.
You are for?
I am the petitioner.
I know, who are you what is it, how do you related to the deceased?
This is your mother এবং স্ত্রী
Our mother.
mother ମାନେ ତାର ମା ମୁଁ ଆଉ ପୁଅ ଯିଏ ମରି ଯାଇଛି ତାର ମା ଏବଂ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ଯିଏ ମରି ଯାଇଛି ତାର ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଦି ଜଣ ଯାକ ମରି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି କରୋନାରେ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ମରିବାର 13 ଦିନ ପୁଅ ମରିଗଲା
ଆପଣ କାହା
ୱାଇଫ ତାର ବୋହୁ ଏବଂ ନାତି ନାତୁଣୀ ତେଣୁ ଆମ ଭିତରେ ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆମେ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ଯୋଉଟା ଡିପୋଜିଟ ଅଛି ସେଟା ଆମକୁ ୱିଥଡ୍ର କରାଯାଉ ଆଜ ପର ଆୱାର ସେୟାର ଅନୁସାରେ ଏଇ ହେଲା ଆମର ପ୍ରେୟାର
approach the bank. Why are you coming here?
କିନ୍ତୁ ମାଇଲର ମୋର କହିବା କଥା ଯେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଫିକ୍ସ ଡିପୋଜିଟ ଅଛି କାହା ନାଁରେ ଅଛି ଆଉ କେତେ
ସେଟା
କଣ
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଦବ
ଅଛି ଡିଟେଲ ଟା
Mr. Panda, you have the details of
My lord, account holder is deceased husband of the petitioner.
who was the nominee?
Nominee, my lord, for the
Give the legal aid certificate and approach the bank. Bank will take care of that.
Yes, ma'am.
my
That
lord,
is direction.
with all relevant documents.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Lord, consider the petitioner and
all
all the legal heirs of the deceased and other legal heirs of the deceased. That is OP number 4 and 5.
4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5.
3, 4, 5. Related to approach the bank with the required documents. The bank shall upon verification of all those documents, the bank shall do the needful to disburse the amount. Since the legal heirs, they don't have any dispute with respect to the.
first give the details of this fixed deposits. So which
ସେ ଦିବେନି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଦବନି
Bank ଗଲେ ସିନା ଯିବେ ଆবার ଏଠି ସବୁ ମାଇଲେ ମୁଁ କଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଆଉ ଆମେ କହିଲି ପରା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଆଉ ଏ ଭିତରେ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଓନ୍ଲି କାଜି
ଆମେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଲେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଦେଖିକି ଡିସବର୍ସ କରିବେ
ସବୁବେଳେ ଖାଲି ଆପଣ ଏଠି ସବୁ ଦେଇ ହଉଛି ହେଲା and the bank shall do it in accordance with law of the disposed of. They will approach and they will approach the bank within a week. Within a week.
Yes.
With all the documents. Remember, कौन document पच्चर दो सही समझ.
Indemnity bond.
जहाँ भी नियंत्रण को bond मुझे जानी. All the documents. Okay, next. Next.
3 PM. 3 PM.
Code
Item 17 here.
17.
Item 17. 3 PM matter.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of my learned senior, the Mr. Dayanand Mahapatra. Another matter was fixed in the Honorable Chief Justice Court at 2
अरे
PM.
यार कहाँ पे कौन मैटर ये सब मत बताओ मेरे कोर्ट में लगा तो मेरे कोर्ट में आना पड़ेगा कहीं पे I don't care wherever you matter is there.
Sir, I am just asking for a password.
I am not.
Yes, my lord, I was aware, but बड़ा matter and my learned.
बड़ा किसी बड़ा बड़ा नहीं सब छोटा में बड़ा छोटा बड़ा लगा
I am asking for a password, my lord.
पासवर्ड में देखिए paid away October 31st को अर्जेंट कर दी
I am suffering.
My lord, the matter
Last
is
12 years, I am suffering.
This is for 2011 matter.
was filed by the opposite party 2, 3 and 4.
Sorry.
Today I am filing the rejoinder affidavit to the counter affidavit filed by the opposite party 2, 3 and 4. I have already solved the copies.
Lord, this matter is regarding allegation of discharging drain water to the private plot of the petitioner.
You have how many time will take time, sir? This is a small issue, unnecessary. You are taking time.
No, Lord, I am not taking time.
On that day, you have filed already.
Yes,
Let's hear the matter.
I have
But
Unnecessary.
rejoinder is not required.
This is a small thing why all these people counter rejoinder କରି ମାସ ମାସ
Not required, Lord, can be
ସବୁ
disposed.
matter ଏଇଆ ହଉଛି
Can be taken up right now.
ଯୋଉ matter ଯୋଉଟା 2 ମିନିଟରେ ସରିବ ତାକୁ counter rejoinder ଇଏ ସିଏ କରି ତାକୁ ଲମ୍ବା
କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, can be taken up.
Right.
ଆମ counter ଟା ଆଉ pollution municipality ରଖି କଣ ଅଧାରେ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି?
Okay. Yes, please, Mr. Rath, start.
Lord, if my learned friend will say. କହିବେ କି? Ha. Lord, the allegation of the petitioner here, if your lordship kindly see, he has two plots, my lord. Plot number 338 and one more plot 338 by some byplot is there. He said that wastewater of Kims and Keats are being discharged to the private plot of the petitioner. Lord, we have filed a preliminary affidavit, municipality has filed, and pollution control board has filed. Lord, I am skipping for the moment to the extent my affidavit is concerned because I am a party concerned. If your lordship sees municipality's affidavit, municipality in clear words has said.
What does municipality say?
Municipality says we have our own drainage system, we have our own treatment plant. None of our water is being discharged to the private plot of the petitioner. On the other hand, there are some other factories, some prawn factory, some cushion factory. They may be discharging, but municipality clearly says that. Kindly see the municipality's affidavit, ma'am. Para 4, internal page 2.
This is
Municipality's affidavit, opposite part number 3. Nahi ki pakre?
It file is.
Yes, yes, it's on record. Upon municipality is
petition on.
para 5. Para 5, madam. Opposite part number 3.
23/8/2023
Let me.
Para?
Sir, para 5 of open number 3 is affidavit, municipality. That the averments made in para 3 of the writ petition are not correct and denied hereby. It is submitted that in order to verify about genuineness of allegations made of the petitioner, an inquiry was made on 7th of August 2023 by AM.
All these are all the 3 rejoinder affidavit, 3 copies here. I don't know what is where.
Municipality nahi ki? এটা more দেখি দিও এটা দিয়ে দিলে যদি হবে
আপনারা কতটা কপি দিয়েছেন
সেই ফটো সেইটা
তিনটা কপি আমাকে দিয়েছেন
3 copies.
3 কপি আমাকে কত দরকার
3 copies are rejoinder affidavits to the separate counters filed by the opposite party.
3 separate
2, 3 and
ଆପଣ ଲେଖିବେନି ପୁରା କାହାର ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର କାହା ଫାଇଲ ଲେଖିବେନି
next page, that is the index.
ନେକ୍ସଟ ପେଜ ନ ଇଣ୍ଡେକ୍ସ ରେ ଲେଖିବେ ନା ଆଉ କୋଉଠୁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବି ଆମ ଭିତରକୁ ପଶିବି ତାପରେ ଜାଣିବି
That may
लेकिन कहार rejoinder affidavit to the petitioner what is the response so and so लिखबे ना
not written that in the index page, but
ना इंडेक्स रे तो मैंने लिखबा କଥା इंडेक्स को मैं बनोछन तान इंडेक्स जाना पड़ियो दरकार न इंडेक्स रे ही जाना
my lord, that is located.
Anyway,
it is located, my lord, para 5 put kind.
Yes.
Internal page 2. The averments made in para 3 of the writ petition are not correct and denied hereby. But you got it, man.
Yes.
It is submitted that in order to verify about the genuineness of allegations made by the petitioner, an inquiry was made on 7th of August 2023 by AM Das AE Drainage, SS Patra, Assistant Engineer, RC Dasmapatra, Assistant Engineer, Drainage BMC. It was found that out of 4 numbers of plots mentioned in para 2 of the writ petition, plot number 569 so and so, only 2 numbers of plots, 338 and 333 by 3886 are connected to Keat and Kim's land. That is plot number 338 measuring 1 acre 90. Plot number 333 measuring 2 acre 970. Both the above mentioned plots are adjacent to 3 sites of Keats and Kim's hospital. Rest 2 plots are far away from Keats and Kim's boundary. During inquiry,
so basically that land belongs to you. That is taken by the Keats authority.
No, now probably it's not.
One plot is taken by the petitioner.
And
338.
So that you have leased it out.
Mile.
You have leased it out.
Mile.
What is the area of the land?
That is an area
1 acre 90 districts.
1 acre 90 districts.
So that is for the purpose of playground they have taken.
Playground that was given.
So on the playground they are discharging this.
No, we are not discharging. That's the report. Kindly see just below that.
No, just I've seen that.
Kindly see. Are managing all its wastewater as well as rainwater through closed drain and closed conduit in their area to their sewage treatment plant where waters are treated 80% of the clean water. After treatment is utilized by kids and kids for their gardening and other purposes, 20% of clean water discharged in another IDCO drain, which is far away from plot number 33 and 33, both these plots, my lord. Clearly mentioned, ma'am. A report is also available, annexure A by 3. Your lordship will see. The engineers have reported this after having conducted a field verification, my lord.
Okay. Then what are the pollution control board say?
Same thing.
Same thing, my lord. Before that, my lord, earlier the pollution control board directed to install the effluent treatment plant and the sewage treatment plant because and also water not meeting the parameters. Now, subsequent to notice, my lord, recently we also inspected the unit, inspected that place, my lord. Now we find that there is no discharge, the plant working, and there is no discharge to the petitioner's plot. That is the finding. Recommendation is made that the water flowing through that IDCO drain, some person, other person. If that is concreted, then the problem regarding during the rain, the water will not go to that area.
So you are saying that if it is coming out from the IDCO drain, then that might happen. That's what you are saying?
That also not in the order. I mean counter. It's not there.
But I mean, about the discharge, what is your?
They are saying that
discharge is concerned, there is the allegation
No discharge.
as alleged that is not found now. Earlier that was there.
I'm just appointing a court commissioner to find out.
Lordship would kindly, in view of this.
No, I'm giving him only 2 days. He will submit on first.
If now it's a disputed question of fact.
Why was disputed? The
Kindly
court
see.
commissioner go and find out.
Kindly see, my lord.
Because
Whereas commissioner, the pollution control board says there was no point of discharge of wastewater to the petitioner.
that's fine. That's fine.
Lord,
I want to see the court commissioner will see whether there is a discharge. Simple.
Lord, instead of doing a commission, Lord, what I'm suggesting, let
Court commissioner will be, he is an independent man, he will go and find out.
we don't, Lord, if at all there is a discharge, we also sincerely want that should not be there. Why should we say that something is not correct? But she may take up the matter sometime. Let me myself verify it. If it is there, we'll close it. If it is not there, I can.
What's
Commission
the problem? What's the problem happening in court commissioner?
We don't dispute anything, man. We also sincerely want. We have worked on this. There are public authorities report that it is not being discharged. Till then, if he is saying, my learned friend is saying that there is discharge, let me take instruction on that. We'll close it, my lord. Why to depute a commission? We'll from our side, we'll close it. What is there?
What do you say?
I have given the photograph.
No, photograph, I have seen that.
I submit.
Again, these photographs are again questionable. I don't know whether this photograph is from there or somewhere else.
No, let us work on good faith. Let us work in good faith. We are all officers of the court. Let's work in good faith. There is nothing distrust in between. If at all my learned friend's allegation is there, we'll stop it. What is there? Fix up a date on first or second, whatever date comes out.
Since he has raised an issue.
I don't think.
And these after the reply filed by the pollution control board and municipality, still he has
Today he is giving these photographs. Let me vouchsape it. Let me verify it.
That this same thing can be done by this court commission. What is the problem?
Let me tell. Lots of things will come out in.
No,
media.
why?
I'll
Court
tell you.
commissioner go
People
and-
will come in. It will come out in media,
Why
newspapers.
There is-
Honorable court appointed commission against Kit.
No.
All these things will come out, my lord. That's the
What
reason.
media-
We ourselves will correct it. Why a commission?
Then you correct it. And
That's
he'll-
what I'm saying.
he'll say,
That's what I'm saying, my lord.
By
Fix up a
again,
date.
I am putting in the Monday.
Huh.
Correct, you just tell me.
Yes. If at all it's
Don't waste
there,
time other than-
let him come. Will in his presence will correct it if at all is there.
Not Monday, on Tuesday.
No, Monday.
I'll keep the absent, my lord. That is why Tuesday.
No, Monday.
First तारीख
Not
को,
fourth,
7 तारीख।
but fifth, my lord. I-
Fifth I may not be there, that's why I'm saying fourth.
अच्छा अच्छा आपण असते.
All right.
मला 4 तारीख असू 4 तारीख भाई ना मु तो
4 तारीख आसूस. If you say that it's not, I mean, you
हाँ, then your lordship may
all the
depute a
just
commission. Let
find
me-
out that
My lord.
I don't have any issue,
My
but
lord.
I am ready to appoint the court.
My lord,
commissioner. I don't mind.
Okay.
And if you want to me write, then I can.
No, there is no
this
point
also
of
I can-
dispute at all. Why a commission, lord? There is no point of dispute.
Then
at
I'm
all.
closing it. Further, I don't want to understand. Again, you will take time, but this.
No,
I'm
it's
closing
fine.
all password.
But will come on 4th.
No, it will not come. I'm closing it. I'll pass order. If all the, if you, and nobody has any problem, then why so unnecessary case?
नहीं नहीं, हमें करेक्शन कर दो आगे कहीं कि अपन थाउ से 4-5 को आसु कहीं
ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ମାନେ ମାନୁଛନ୍ତି
सर मु मानुनी जदी अछि
ମାନୁଛନ୍ତି
सर मु मोटे मानुनी जदी अछि लेट मी माई सेल्फ वेरीफाइड कोन एथर अछि जदी प्रकृत रे तांग असुविधा होछि
Let it
why
come
should
on
we
4th. Let
हाँ।
us correct the defective.
हां मु मानुनी
Of that
किछि
day it will be.
ନା ସତରେ ଆପଣ ହଉଛି ନା ଆପଣ ଏମିତି ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେବେ
My lord, in fact, the water is coming.
ଆପଣ ଇଏ
इट्स अ जेंटलमैन्स प्रॉमिस मिलोड व्हाट इज दैट
ठीक है Fourth.
Item 34.
After that, after this court, no court commissioner, nothing will do. This is one chance I wanted to do the court commissioner. After that, you should not say that there's court commissioner, yes, Siddha would be.
Let them correct it, we have no grievance.
That's ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ସର୍ଟ ଆଉଟ୍ କରିଦେବା କଥା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଲିଜ ରେଣ୍ଟ ପାଉଛନ୍ତି ଚୁପଚାପ ସଲ୍ଭ କରିଦେବେ ଛାଡ଼ କୋର୍ଟ କାହିଁ ଦୌଡୁଛନ୍ତି
That is also in problem.
ଲିଜ ରେଣ୍ଟ ମିଳୁନି
They are not paying the rent.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଏ ସବୁ
They are not
ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ
paying the rent. By the by, they are damaging the land.
private grievance is now put in public domain. Wow. Next.
34.
Yes, my pleasure, sir. On challenging the action of the officer not release the subsidy amount of the present petition, Lord.
Subsidy for what?
I had taken a loan from the bank to establish a rice mill, and it has been sanctioned by the DIC.
You have changed the name of the bank.
I beg pardon.
The name of the bank has been changed, huh?
Yes, Lord. I have already changed.
Filed it.
Yes, Lord. Already changed, Lord.
Where is that?
I have already filed my consolidated cost at loan.
Where is that?
It is attached in the
This is now which bank?
bank is Punjab National Bank. Yes, Lord.
Okay, now what?
But after closure of my loan amount, I applied the subsidy amount, and I also wrote a letter to the DIC Bhadrak. And the DIC Bhadrak,
Closure of loan amount means? I did not.
and I have taken a loan under the scheme of National Mission of Food Protection Scheme.
Protection of food processing.
Processing scheme. In that scheme, Lord, the government has provided subsidy amount to the entrepreneur.
How much subsidy?
25%, Lord.
Total amount of loan?
1 crore, Lord.
1 crore.
Yes, Lord.
So 25% subsidy. Means
Yes, Lord.
Okay.
But
So that subsidy to be directly sent to your account, or that will be through the some other, what way you will get it? What is the modus operandi of receiving that?
the DI, unless the DI approve my sanction.
DIC.
DI, Director of Industries.
Director of Industries.
Yes.
DIC.
After approval, he will release my.
ସବୁଦିନ shortcut କରିବନି ଟିକେ ବେଳେବେଳେ କହିବାକୁ ପଡେ DI ବାଲା ସ୍କୁଲରେ ବି DI ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲି ଆଗରୁ ଏବେ ନାହିଁ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ହବନି DI ନା ଡିରେକ୍ଟର ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଜ କହିବେ ନହେଲେ DIC ଯୋଉଟା କହିବେ ନା ଆଉ DIC ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣନ୍ତି but DI shortcut କଲେ ହବ. Okay, so it has to be rotated through the DI. So who will give you the
my
subsidy
representation-
component?
My representation, my.
Representation କଥା ଛାଡ଼ିକି
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ, sir, sir,
representation
I wrote a letter to the DIC.
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଏଇଟା ଯୋଉ ସବସିଡି କମ୍ପୋନେଣ୍ଟ କିଏ ଦବ?
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଦବ ସେଟା ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଜ ଆପ୍ରୁଭାଲ ପରେ ମୋର ସେ ଲେଟରଟା ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଜ କତିରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ସେ ସିଏ ଆପ୍ରୁଭାଲ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କଟା ତାଙ୍କ ଆମ
ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ କେବେଠୁ?
ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆନେକ୍ସର ନଅରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଆଜ୍ଞା 13/4/2022 ରୁ
13/4/2022. Director of Industries, Bhadrak. District Industry Center, Bhadrak. This is pending.
Yes, annexure 9.
Okay, issue notice. Notice.
Already issued notice.
Apna, what is your response?
notice ରେ amendment allow ହେଲା
amendment पर तापर notice ହେଇଛି ତା ପୂର୍ବ date
ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କ cost title ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପୁଣି ଭୁଲ ଏଥିରେ ସେ ପୁଣି OP1 କରିଛନ୍ତି ହାଉସିଂ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଅର୍ବାନ ତାଙ୍କର କିଛି ହିଁ ରୋଲ ନାହିଁ ଆଦେରେ
नहीं ସେଇଟା sir
ପାର୍ଟି କଲା କାଇଁ
ହାଉସିଂ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅର୍ବାନ ରେ କିଛି ହିଁ ରୋଲ ନାହିଁ।
ଯାର କିଛି ରୁଲ ନାହିଁ ତାକୁ କାଇଁ କରିଛନ୍ତି ହାଉସିଂ
ସେଇଟା wrongly ପ୍ରଥମରୁ ସେଟା ମୁଁ କରିଦେଇଥିଲି
ପୁଣି amendment କରିକି ସେଇଆ
ସୁଧାରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କହିଲେ
amendment ରେ ବି ସେଇ cost file ଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
amendment sir your lordship directed to change the only bank only so ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ
I didn't know that that time housing I thought is there any connection with the housing man? Is there any connection in this case? Sir, कम से कम पार्टी रो ना तो
main role sir 2 और 3 रो main role
मेन रोल वाला को मेन रोल अलगा लोग कहीं आनी पड़ी थी
sir ସେଟା wrongly ही ସେଟା ମୁଁ
delete
delete
कर
कर
दे रह गला आरबीआई गवर्नर को पूरी शांति को पार्टी कर दे शांति सफाई रहला पार्टी तो करवा सिखन भल कोड को लोक पार्टी इंपोर्टेंट कोड नाही से जानबे नी
एटा डिलीट कर
सेटा delete करी want
delete it okay anyway you take instruction on that that comes with the state to take instruction from the director of industries as to why the
no my lord his application is pending before OP3 district industry center manager general manager district industry center OP3
नहीं district industry center सेटा देइछि letter देइछि district industries सेटा annexation 9 रे अछि
you take it from district industry director of industries regarding the release of the subsidy amount under NMFP scheme to the present petitioner. This is the matter on 18 days. Just check it. Don't go by this representation किसी हुई नहीं.
I have not
बैठे बजा वो.
मो रिप्रेजेंटेशन देनी मो लेटर देली सी मो लेटर को बेस करी गोटे चिट्ठी टे देली
साइड पे रहले बसी रहले तापर बस रही गला तापर आसे वर्ष पर तापर कोर्ट को आइले. Okay.
Actually posted to
18. Take positive instruction. Lord consider the state to take positive instruction in this matter. There shall not be any adjournment to any of the parties.
35.
तमर का स्कीम करछन जणा लोक लोन नउजी काहे के देबेनी काहे वर्ष वर्ष धरि पके के अपन नथि 25 लाख जस पके के तापर से पैसा दउ नथबो माल दे गले लक्ष दिन संगे संगे सब्सिडी आसी जो 12 दिन बैंक को आसी हां दिस इज व्हाट एवरीबॉडी नोज इट ना कथा ते दोनी तब देई नथबे ना शेयर तो कोन दिस व्हाट नेक्स्ट
may I please your lordship 35. My lord, in this case, this is the case where I'm being paid less than what my appointment letter entitles me to. The opposite parties have served as
you are
appointed as Sikha Sahayak, and I've been regularized
what is your
as
scale?
Junior. My scale that
As Sikha Sahayak, what should you get?
my lord, my scale is 23,600 to 74,800.
Kete paiva katha apun?
This is what it should be my scale.
No. What is the your take home?
The take home I have that is salary slip, but no, they are not paying me that. They are not paying me that. They are paying me at this. They are paying me 2 slabs below that.
Sir, 2 slabs below je mane apan ko kete total kete pauchun?
That yes, I am telling you that the total amount comes to 24,000 net gross amount is 29,946. So, but
actually you should get
2 slabs that would be calculated on 2 basic slabs.
What is your answer?
He was untrained. That slab that the petitioner is claiming is for trained. So for the time that he was untrained, he is getting that slab. Now that he is trained, he will get the slab that he is claiming for.
No, my lord, that is what I am saying.
No, you are trained now.
Yes, I have
become trained
in November 21.
November 21.
But there is no scope for that. That's what I'm trying to explain, your lordship. My lord, it is true that I was appointed as an untrained, and they had appointed untrained because there were not sufficient number of trained people available.
That's fine.
Then after that, they themselves removed the discrepancy. In terms of salary, there was no differences. Only the condition was that the untrained Sikha Sahayaks will acquire the training within 5 years. If they don't, then they will be removed. Even that condition was subsequently removed, that because it is incumbent upon them to allow me to undertake the training according to the work pressure. So for which they modified it all, and they said that there shouldn't be any discrimination, and there shouldn't be any discrimination in terms of salary, following which equal salary was paid. So this is the rule. Now this on the basis of this rule, the regularization orders were issued, where my salary was fixed at whatever this 23,000 thing. And it was done in the year 2019. And they gave me salary lesser from 2017 because that is the date of my eligibility to be regularized. They regularized me and they said that I should be getting the salary at a particular scale, but they gave me 2 slabs lesser.
Just
Now,
check it.
now,
What
now,
is- what
now
is
your
the
lordship, now
response?
final 30 seconds, final 30 seconds. Now when I approached them that why are you not giving me the salary? Now the document they are producing, their dates are very important, your lordship. In 2019, the resolution was taken that I will be paid a particular salary. Now they are coming up with a clarification dated 2023 April, and where they are importing a different service condition which is not existent, not applicable to Shiksha Sahayaks.
May I pray?
They are saying
May I pray, ma'am? My counter is based upon the clarification that was issued on 14/11/2020. Now, whatever resolutions the petitioner is depending on, let him file a rejoinder with the resolutions. Let me take instruction on what those resolutions.
the resolutions are there in the petition, your lordship. In the petition,
No. He is saying that he would take some instruction on the resolution.
the resolutions that are there in the petition itself.
You just take the resolution.
No,
on
no,
the
that
resolution.
he has accepted.
Take
The resolutions,
Take instruction on the resolution.
the resolutions, my
What is the
appoint,
resolution?
I was
Page-
appointed.
page?
Yes, I am telling.
Page?
My lord.
This one, the Annexure 3.
Annexure 3 series, yes. Series.
Allow Council the state to take instruction on the resolution of the government filed at the Annexure 3 series in the petition. This the matter on 14.
Deeply obliged, your lordship.
Next.
36.
Item number 36. From our side, one affidavit to be filed, my lord. Last occasion, my lord has a personal order because here.
You have taken instruction?
My lord, I have communicated to the bank, but materials has not come up, my lord. This is my communication to the bank, my lord.
Let them file a counter. Let them file a counter.
Because-
On the दिन like.
There's 7 days.
Okay. Interim order to continue. Lord Council, bank 6, 1 week, 1 week. 1 week, 1 week.
Oblige, your lordships.
You file the rejoinder within the next 1 week. So I'm fixing it up.
Sorry, because it account out NPA, my lord. My lord.
No, let them file counter. I'll file my
You file the
return.
counter and give them the copy, and they will file the rejoinder. So list the matter after 2 weeks then. Let's see, let it come on 21st September.
Oblige.
Oblige.
37.
37.
May I please speak out? But in this case, I'm appearing for the bank. You not
Yes,
directed them
bank.
to serve a copy of the writ petition. Copy has not been served.
I'm serving, I could
But
not serve
Not
him.
required, my lord. I assume there must be a dispute with respect to the loan. I've taken instructions, my lord. If my learned senior wants, matter can be sorted out. There are 2 loan accounts. In one, there is an outstanding of
Why
10
don't you
lakhs.
do one thing, instead of saying all these things? You approach the bank is
Sir.
very cordial.
Sir.
They will, and Mr. Ray will also instruct the bank.
They
So
have-
if they can sit.
My
they can
lord,
sit,
that will
together
be
and
what your
solve
lordship
the
suggests
matter of the court
would be the
will
best order.
Your lordship may direct dispose of, then
So
let him approach the bank. There are 2 loan accounts. Let him.
Their
apply for an o-
calculation, one cannot understand.
Sir,
No,
they'll make you understand.
Let him not go into that. But
Let's do this.
I've given a very good proposal to my learned senior, and he wouldn't get a better proposal.
I will represent them, let them say that, I will pay that.
Land concept of the bank, Mr. Ray submits that if the petitioner has any grievance regarding the calculation of the what is that? Interest.
Calculation of principal
Principal
and.
and interest. He he welcomes the petitioner. The bank welcomes the petitioner to sort out the differences, if any, in a congenial atmosphere, and the bank will cooperate in accordance with law.
And give me a reply to that.
This court hopes and trusts that the party shall sort out the different, shall sort out the resolve the settle the account. କିଛି ଲାଗେନି ଏତିକି
ସେ ସଜେଷ୍ଟ କଲେ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିବି ଯୋଉଟା ମତେ କନଭିନିଏଣ୍ଟ ହବ।
keep it pending or what should we
Dispose of କରିଦେବେ।
dispose of କରିଦେବେ?
କଲେ ମୁଁ ଦେବି ଆପଣ ତ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଲେଖିକି ଦେବି।
ହଉ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେଇଟା ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବା ଯଦି କଣ ନହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ଦେବେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ରାଉ?
କିଛି ନାହିଁ in view of the above, he will cooperate on that.
ସାର୍
In view of the above,
But if he is looking for a OTS settlement, we will consider that.
out of line the non-constitutive bank also suggests that if the petitioner is looking for a OTS proposal, the bank will consider.
ସାର୍
And communicate the same to them.
and that may be communicated to me.
ଆପଣ ଗଲେ ତ ଆପଣ ସିଧା
Sir,
ଦେବେ
sir.
ଆଉ କଣ ଆପଣ ଯାଇକି ଗୋଟେ application ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ସାର୍
application ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Sir.
କଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ କନଭେଣ୍ଟ ହିସାବରେ ଇଏ କରିବେ ଆଉ କଣ
ମୁଁ 10 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଦେଇଦେବି ଆଉ କଣ।
within 10 sorry within 10 days the petitioner to approve the bank within 10 days है ना next
Item 39.
39
Maybe. My lord, illegal engagement about Anganwadi worker, my lord. That during application, my lord, she was not having the residence certificate.
who
The opposite partner was 6, my lord.
6
My lord.
so you are the highest scorer mark କାର ଅଧିକ ଆପଣଙ୍କର
Mark ଆଜ୍ଞା
କାର ଅଧିକ mark
ତାଙ୍କର ଅଧିକା
ଆଚ୍ଛା
because she was a ST candidate. As per the revised guideline, she has been
ତାଙ୍କର ଅଧିକ
awarded.
ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର ବାକି
And the
ତାଙ୍କର-
basic, my lord, the basic.
what is your grievance
My grievance is she should not have been applied because he has not
should not have been applied
because she has not the
she doesn't belong to that area
she is not belong to that area, my lord. Your lordship can take glance to
ସେ କୋଉ ଏରିଆ ର ତାହେଲେ ମିଷ୍ଟର
he had not given the certificate, my lord. This is the basic ingredient of this advertisement.
ଦେଇନି
Page 12, my lord.
କିଏ ଅଛି appear କରିଛି କିଏ କିଏ appear କରିଛି
Jagavans.
Some
J sir.
Jagavans Roy, yeah.
Jagavans OP6
P6 କିଏ ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କହନ୍ତୁ
My lord. Page 12, which my lord kindly glance.
Sir, my lord, this matter has been listed for the first time after 2021. ये ରହିଯାଇଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ counter ହେଇପାରିନି ମାନେ ଥରେ ଆସିଥିଲା ଆଉ reach କଲା
counter ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
2021 ପରେ ଆଉ list ହେଇନି ସେ ରହିଛି
the state to file the counter within a week list the matter on 14th
My lord.
next
Item 40.
40 40
Selection of Anganwadi worker, my lord. In the year impugn order, your lordship kindly say,
no just
in the year 2007, notification was issued for selection of Anganwadi worker. One petition
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ କି ଅଲଗା କି ଗୋଟେ ହେଇଗଲା
already है कि on the basis of hot certificate, one Lakshmi Priya Nayak was appointed. तार cancel है गला, किंतु मत्ते दो ना हंती. Petitioner is the next eligible candidate.
oh acha
The annexure 9 is the impugn order, my lord. Your lordship kindly say
ତ କାଇଁ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି
page 52.
My lord, but I have instructions.
ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ she'll get some
मत्ते न देकी कहउचंती fresh recruit माने advertisement issue करिया
No such guideline. Second file.
second priority କିଛି ଅଛି guideline
once the on the
ଏମିତି କିଛି
basis
ମାନେ ନଥାଏ
the number of Supreme Court judgments
କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆଜି ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଦେଖି ଡରୁଛୁ
your lordship always said Supreme Court judgment नहीं क्या सुन तो
ହଉ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏମିତି just କହୁଛି लक्ष्मी प्रिया बारिक के से जो आर कैंडिडेट
my lord
टाटा कटिगला
my lord
So be Supreme Court judgment.
ଆଉ xerox କରିପାରିନି।
ଆମେ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ନା ପଢନ୍ତୁ।
Well, 2010 AR SCW 4643 in this case, Honorable Supreme Court held that employment action appointment eligibility criteria sponsorship from employment exchange made essential. Such requirement cannot be considered as mandatory. Person selected and placed in the merit list despite not being sponsored by employment exchange cannot be denied appointment.
ସେଟା କଣ ଏଇ proposition ଲାଗିଲା? କଣ ପଢିଦେବେ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ପଢିବେ?
ଏଇଟା ଆମେ next time
ଆପଣ ମତେ କହିବେ ଯେ ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଲିଷ୍ଟରୁ ଯଦି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସପୋଜ ରିଜାଇନ କରିଦେଲା କିମ୍ବା ସେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇନଏଲିଜିବଲ କୌଣସି କାରଣ ହେଇଗଲା ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଲୋକ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ ପାଇବା ସେମିତିଆ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦରକାର। ଆଉ କିଏ କଣ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ
next time
ସେଇଟା ଦରକାର।
Fine.
So this is the issue you should have found out from Supreme Court. The ulta pala issue are Supreme Court.
No, ନାଇଁ ଟିକେ ଏପଟ ସେପଟ ହେଇଯାଇଛି।
କେବେ?
Any date, ମାନେ next week any date.
8th ରେ ଆସୁ।
Well,
ହଁ,
well.
8 Next.
Any date other than
12, 13 asu, 13 asu. 13.
Well.
Next.
Item 45.
45.
In this case, my lord, there was an order of this honorable court by writ application for payment of the compensation amount of 4 lakhs to the widow mother and widow wife of the deceased. That the order is page 10, running page 10 may can be seen. Running page 10. The last portion. The opposite parties are directed to pay compensation of 4 lakhs to the petitioners with a period of 4 months from the date of communication of this order.
तो एटा आपण एटा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के कलेनी पेमेंट हेनी
पेमेंट हेनी
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कलेनी
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करने काहे ता असुविधा टिक अछि उदा कोन लागी से जो बहुटी थिला से बहुटी कोला ताको ओटा कजन पुको ताको 21 वर्ष बयस हैतला ता हजबेंड मरि गला ता सासु कोला ता बड़ भणी रो सासुर बड़ भणी रो पुको ता जो कजन ब्रदर हबो बाहागर कर दला बाहर कर दला परे से छोटू कोन गला ये ओटा पिटिशन देला कि ना बहु जे जो टंका 4 लाख है मो सासु को पेमेंट कर दिया जाओ मोर किछ ऑब्जेक्शन नाही तापर कथा हो जी
पैसा रिलीज हे जेतला ऑलरेडी
ना रिलीज हे न बिल्कुल पेमेंट करना दे पर नहीं पेमेंट करना
काहा को पेमेंट करया कथाटा
सेटा से टिके सेमान मते ओटा एफिडेविट फाइल करछन कि ना काउंटर एफिडेविट इट मे काइंडली सीन
डिपेंडेंट्स ऑफ द डिसीज डिपेंडेंट ऑफ डिसीज इट कैन बी मदर आल्सो फादर आल्सो
हां यस एनीवन मैं
काइंडली सीन कोजन से वाइफ नाही बोलते बनु कोजन
नहीं ये कोजन आइले ताकू दे दियंतु से नाटा बदल गेला तो
आपण प्रॉब्लम आडगो आसन सॉल्व सॉल्यूशन आडगो आसन कहला था एबे आपण कोन चाहछथि
जे पेमेंट ता हो आरटीजीएस से एबार ओटा एफिडेविट करी से बहु मध्य
आज्ञा आरटीजीएस रे होगी चेक रे हो एतरे कोन फरक पडुची कहवा कथा हला आपण पैसाटा मिलवा दरकार
हां आज्ञा
हां चेक
समान मध्य
ड्राफ्ट मिलु आरटीजीएस से कोन माना
हां समान मध्य से एडमिट करछंदी जे इलेक्शन तंग काउंटर रे द ऑपोजिट पेपर 3 मान रेलवे हैज नो ऑब्जेक्शन इफ एंटर आउटेड अमाउंट of the petitioners as well as the opposite party
so you do one thing pay to the opposite party number
in this case the petitioner in this case the petitioner means the sasu
number kete
petitioner ramamuni ये हला अनिता रानी खया जे ता नाटा बदल जे अनिता रानी जेना हे जे बाहा गला परे
ताको मिलियो
नहीं सी बदे गोटे एफिडेविट कर फाइल कर अनिता रानी खया जे मो सासु को दिया जाए माने मो सासु माने रमामणि वे को दिया जाओ
आपण एप्लीकेशन फाइल कले
से हां एफिडेविट फाइल कर कंपनी पर फाइल करी तार
पार्टी पार्टी चेंज करंतु
आज्ञा
पार्टीटा चेंज करंतु
बुझले
ए जे खया ना रे जने लगेछंती से पार्टीटा चेंज करंतु
हां माने से खया थिला वर्तमान जेना हे गेला
पार्टी रा नाटा चेंज कर बेबा कर देबे ना बेबा ना
गए खया
नहीं ऑर्डर जो हेतला काहा को दबे वन और टू बोथ को कहथिले ना
बोथ को कहथिले
तो आई वांट टू चेंज द ऑर्डर टू 2 से तो ओके as per the order passed by this court read order dated 11/2/2020 wherein this court had passed an order of granting a compensation of rupees 4 lakh rupees to the dependent of the deceased of the railway accident
along with 6% interest The order
within a
question,
period of 4 months from the date of communication of this order, failing which it will carry interest of rate of 6% for
My
annum
lord,
from the date of accident. That
may
is
I submit, my lord?
2012. Till the
My lord is
actual-
dictating the order.
Yes,
No, my lord, I am just submit their lordship.
yes,
Here is the case.
Yeah.
We have sent the draft
okay.
in the name of Anita Rani Khaya and
Ramamani Deva.
Ramamani Beva.
Hmm.
What happened? It was returned unserved.
She got married, because of that it got returned, right?
She got married when.
No. There's a game is in different way. What
Huh?
happened? He has filed application reflecting in different way that Lordship may come to the for a moment to the cost title. So Anita Rani Khaya
Hmm.
got married to one Prasanto Jena.
Hmm.
The present she was Anita Jena.
Hmm.
Address is village Brahmanapura and
Now I understood the case. Only thing is, he is saying since he is married to other person, whatever amount is there, you pay to the mother.
mother.
Pay to the mother. I am not charging any interest because you don't have, you didn't commit any fault. So interest part I am not granting. Only the money, not the interest. Interest can't be granted. ଆପଣ ଇଏ ସେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କାହାକୁ ବାହା ହେଇଯିବେ ସେ ତ ପାଇଁ ରେଲୱେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇଯିବ.
No, she was 4
They have
months.
not committed mistakes, sir.
No, they committed mistake, but they are avoiding that. 4 months ଭିତରେ payment କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି.
କେତେ କେବେ ଦେଲେ?
Let them tell when they file the draft.
Mr. Pari କେବେ ଆପଣ ଦେଲେ?
It was inside the seal cover.
No, draft date ଟା କେବେ? Draft ଇଏ ବି ହେଇଯିବ ନା ଏବେ ଫ୍ରେଶ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବ.
May I permitted to if Lordship will take up tomorrow, I'll in the present in the court and place it.
Okay. So ଯଦି ସେ draft ରେ ଯଦି ଆପଣ immediately କରିଥିବେ within 4 months ତାହେଲେ no interest, otherwise you have to pay the interest.
My letter was sent, it was unserved. Thereafter we will prepare the draft and send it to the party. It was also returned. It was with us.
When you prepare the draft, that is the date.
That I will open.
That date will be the date.
Yes, sir.
Okay, learn comes with the learner the DSGI. It's 1 day time to ascertain the date of drawing of the draft that was sent to the petitioner. Full stop. List fast September 1st. Kali tao. Kali.
May I pray?
4th.
Can it be on 4th?
Yeah, 4th.
Or 5th?
4th.
5th or 5th any day.
4th asu. ए सारे आटे छोटे जिनिस रे को.
हां छोटे जिनिस खाली ता मु से जो डेट फोड़ा ता डिपार्टमेंट कोई फाइल नहीं
check कर दे. Okay.
Yes. It may be on 5th, better it is on 5th.
Okay, 5th.
Okay.
46.
46, my lord. Last occasion, your lordship was pleased to adjourn the matter for 4th September. But
what is the matter? Why have you made Union of India as a party?
Only I have taken time on that day only to educate something from the orders of the my lords, because my lord already delivered. My lord already delivered in self-same case 4-5 orders. I know.
On what?
Regarding the disbursement of insured value to the wife, I want to educate because I learned
to the insurance people.
I learned from one judgment your lordship was pleased to deliver in Bira in NDPS case.
Okay.
I want to educate. That's why I have taken last occasion. Your lordship was pleased to.
Now today what they are doing?
Today, though your lordship earlier urged for 4th, but my humble prayer, your lordship matter may be listed on week commencing 11th. My lord, will place the matter. Matter very limited.
Limited the sir.
My
Let me submit.
Under the amendment.
No,
section
she law added kind of I am taking, I am submitting.
This is a court of law. Let it
No,
come.
I am seeking already
Okay, let it
opposite
come-
party,
let it
opposite
come.
party council already submitted before your lordship already opposite party submitted.
Then I have.
Please, I am not placing matter.
I have not.
I have to place the matter first.
Just
Your law,
Mr.
my lord and
No,
senior.
no, you let him say something. He wants to say something. Please.
ନା ମୁଁ ଠିଆ ହେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ନା ନା ମୁଁ allow କରେନି ଗୋଟେ ଯିଏ କହିବ ସେ ଖାଲି ଠିଆ ହେବ ଅଲଗା ଲୋକ ନାହିଁ this is a wrong practice in our high court ଦି ଆଉଟେ ଛିଡା ହେଇଯିବେ କଣ ଏଇଟା ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଏ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଭଲ ନୁହେଁ ଆପଣ ବାହାର କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ଯିବେ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟି ଗଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟି ଖୋଲିବେ ଚୁପଚାପ ଥାନ୍ତି କହିସାରିଲା ପରେ ଏଠି ମଝିରେ ଯିଏ ଯାହା ହେଲା ଗପିଲା ମଝିରେ କିଏ ହେଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ appear କରି ପାରିଲିନି ଏ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ମଝିରେ see that is not the way. There should be some discipline in court also. Yes.
Kindly take a notable submission under section 39 as it was for the 14th amendment of the amendment act. It was a limited scope for the persons other than the nominee or nominee. Now it has been enlarged. She and her daughter as a beneficial interest. Just we kindly see that 39 has been brought into several pieces. Amendment 39. But I would submit once they have submitted a legal certificate in which all the legal rights are included, let us take a claim to the corporation. They will decide. ସେ ବଡ ଖାଉ ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆମର ପୁରା ସେ ବଡ ଅଛି ବହୁତ ବଡ କଥା ହେଲା I am the custodian of the estate.
Yes,
the nominee is some other person. I am the corporation. I am the insurer, the father-in-law. He be claim koni law.
Let it come on this
11 କହୁଛନ୍ତି
11th verse.
ଆମ ପାଖେ ବହୁତ ଖାଉ
ନାଇଁ ଆମର ଥିବ ନଟ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ନଟ 2020 ନଟ ମୋର ଆମର ନାଇଁ ଜାନ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ବହି ନେଇକି ଆସିଥିବେ ଆପଣ ବି ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ଆକ୍ଟ ଧରିକି ଆସିବେ
ମୁଁ ଆଜି ବି ଧରିକି ଆସିଛି ମୁଁ ବି ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ
ନାଇଁ ନୂଆଟା ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ପଛରେ ଆଗ ଆକ୍ଟ ପଛରେ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ସବୁବେଳେ ଆଗ ଆକ୍ଟ ଧରିବେ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଲୟର always emphasizes more on the statutes than the law laid down by Supreme Court.
My lord and senior
ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ୟାପ୍ ଥାଏ ସେ ଜାଗାରେ law ଦରକାର ଯୋଉଠି ଗ୍ୟାପ୍ ନଥାଏ କ୍ଲିୟର କଟ୍ ଥିବ ସେଥିରେ କଣ ଦରକାର law sufficient.
Accordingly your lordship was pleased to dispose the matter on last occasion.
Anyway, let's see. Okay, next. Next.
47.
47.
This is my lord, rape and murder of my daughter. Having 3 children, 6 years, 4 years, and 2 years.
This is compensation.
Compensation ex gratia I have claimed. I have applied for district legal services authority. 10 lakhs is there as per
You have
law.
you have
Ex
any
gratia.
response?
That may be adjusted.
Press case 17/7 July. So I'll take it.
We will consider this state take instruction. This the matter. 15. That's fine. Next.
48.
48 can be taken up next week, my lord.
Next week. आज बोल दिन नहीं.
No.
क्या नहीं आरा मटे टक कर देती.
13 तारीख.
Okay, 13. This is not good. Okay, next.
49.
49.
Last occasion, my lord has directed my brother to file any reply to our additional affidavit. Matter relates to challenging the appointment of OP number 7. And my brother has served a copy to served a copy of the counter to my additional affidavit. Then
I am for the opposite party number 6. Now I am continuing. Now, my lord, they have not even solved the copy of the requisition.
ପ୍ରଥମ ଦିନରୁ ଯୋଉ ଦିନରୁ
Give a copy.
କଥାଟା ହେଲା ଛୋଟିଆ ଇସ୍ୟୁ
ମୁଁ ବୁଝୁଛି ଯେ ଛୋଟିଆ ସେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ନା ଛୋଟିଆ
at the time of notification she was not within the center area. This is in fact admitted fact. तापरे 2009 मसीह notification आला I along with OP number 6 including other candidates applied for the post of Hon'Ble worker in respect of Isaneswara Basti Center. Then after 2 years, she was given appointment because to manufacture the resident of OP number 6 within the center area. There are
Okay, let him give a copy. Let him also. आप तो आर सुन के लाभ कर जो दिन देवे सुन
struggling.
I know that, but what to do? The problem is it was not before me. Otherwise, I would not have allowed you to struggle. I would have finished long back. हाँ, मो जोटा आरसी में फटाफट सारसी मो कोड़ा रोकी जी ना दया फेंक नहीं हमें तो हमें काम करेगा जोड़ा जो साइड लॉस इस साइड I am with this side of law.
The counter reply of additional affidavit.
Okay, give him a copy.
Counter
The good copy to the end. Let him also. He should also get chance. Okay, next. List the matter on 21st. 18 कर देना 18
September.
18 September.
सेटा कौन problem टा कौन जो final hearing रही जाएगी से पढ़ुनी केते में कौन हो
18 September आसी जो पढ़ी जो ए जाए देखो तो आई एम रीचिंग 40 पहुंचू नहीं पहुंच सब दिन पहुंच ओके बाय चांस को हम मीटिंग फिटिंग कौन थले ओरे जा
official accommodation that
अदरवाइज ना लग पड़ जो लेट्स 18
final hearing
हाँ final hearing this is for final hearing this is for final hearing 18 कर दे हला आपको कॉपी टा दियंतु आप आपण कॉपी टा नहीं जानतु आपण जहां करिया से दिन आउ लेट करो सुनंतु सर आपण से दिन आउ ये काउंटर रीजन रे समय में टाइम नेबे नी कॉपी टा पढी थांतु जहां भी कथा कर देंतु आउ टाइम नेबे नी
only to the counter of government
Okay.
to our to my
Okay,
additional
okay,
affidavit.
okay. Next. 50.
Item 50.
50. What is this matter about?
Item 50 minutes, I'm seeking for an adjournment minutes.
Disciplinary proceeding against a police driver.
Police?
Driver.
50.
Again.
No.
Why Chief Manager Union Bank of India?
Yes, my lords.
Oh,
huh? Why Chief Manager Union of India?
Because, my lords, this is the matter where the petitioner had an insurance through the bank, where the bank has acted as the agent for issuance of that insurance, my lords. Then when the damage sustained to the company of this petitioner, my lords, the petitioner made several requests, several representation to the bank as well as to the insurance company for assessment of that damage. But despite of several attempts made by this petitioner, my lords, neither the bank nor the insurance company made the assessment of that damage, my lord,
Who is appearing for the bank?
My lord, I am.
Millets, in this case, actually, I'm asking for just a short adjournment, Millets.
When do you want? When do you want?
Any day convenient to your lordship.
Any day. My day is convenient to October then. Don't say any day. I'm asking which day will be convenient to you.
September next week.
September. Next week only one day.
Then 12 September.
12. What is your name?
Itishra Tripathi.
No. The request of Lord Council. On behalf of the matter will be adjourned to 12.
Oh, bless my lords.
Mentioning it is.
No, man.